Hello, hello, hello. And I'm saying hello, hello like this because the person today, आज जो मैं जिसको introduce करने वाली हूँ FY podcast पे, she is the bubbliest person I know in this country, I guess, I would say, and she's a host, so उसकी भी इसी तरह introduction होती है. Whenever I see her and she's hosting one of my events or any event, I always see her bubbly and joyful, and I look at her face and I feel happy. And let me tell you a little bit about her. She's been in the industry for, I think, over 2 decades. She was one of the first VJs we had on television when music burst out on television in this country. पहले भी था, PTV पे था, लेकिन not on satellite channels and not like the way it came back. So, she's gregarious, she's gorgeous, she's independent, she's a world traveler, she is all and much more. And let me introduce you to the gregarious, the very talented, the lovely Anusha Ashra.
Hello.
There you go.
Hi.
क्या हाल है?
Oh, that was so sweet of you and coming from you because I've always looked up to you in so many ways.
Oh.
So many ways. So now that you've introduced me, because usually I do the introductions
Yes.
to everybody, I'm feeling quite shy.
We were saying this, ना मैंने
Thank
कहा आज उल्टा हो गया ना
आज
रोल.
उल्टा हो गया, हाँ, वाकई.
Wow.
It's-
So, Anusha has done so much. The body of work, I was reading through the research and I read through it. I already knew it. I mean, I know you because we meet socially और हम
Yes.
वैसे भी काफ़ी अरसे से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. But there's so much, man. But what we हमेशा हम करते हैं इस जगह पे बैठ के is we start with the journey. So we'll start with the journey. Sometimes it's a little boring, but you'll be surprised how much I don't know. मैं जब यहाँ से उठ के जाती हूँ तो मैं हमेशा जिन लोगों को मैं जानती भी हूँ उनके बारे में भी और बहुत कुछ सीख के जाती हूँ.
बिल्कुल सही
है ना?
बिल्कुल सही
So this is your story and I need to know your journey. So now I know कि 3 बहनें, भाई तो नहीं है कोई. और
I do have step brothers.
you do, okay.
Yeah.
And so let's start. Karachi born.
Karachi born, Karachi
Okay.
raised,
Huh.
schooling here,
Yeah.
Huck Academy, Bayview.
Achha.
Yeah. Now
Huck
that Huck
Academy
Academy has
क्या?
become really big.
Huck Academy like Montessori.
Yes.
See, मैं सबको कहती हूँ Montessori ज़रूर डालो बच्चों को.
Montessori.
हाँ, फिर.
And then did my A-levels privately. Then finished off with my BA with KU.
हाँ, that's
Yeah.
interesting.
I did.
बाहर नहीं गई, यहाँ पे ही पढ़ा.
शुरू हो गया था ना, स्टार बन गई थी थोड़ा सा.
हाँ,
तस्वीरें
अच्छा,
मेरी थी,
वो already
selfies
शुरू हो
मेरी
गया
थी.
था.
18.
अच्छा,
18.
there's
I was
another
17
young
and a half,
girl.
18 years old. I
Wow.
mean, not like Meera ji at 13, but
Huh.
17, yes.
Okay, that's questionable, but anyway.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I mean, I was here through and through. My friends were abroad, family was in and out, cousins were going off to college, but I was already at a university called Indus Vision.
Oh,
Yeah.
जहाँ से most of the VJs took their start.
All the VJs, all
Yeah.
your hosts, and now even all your mainstream actors,
Yeah.
the
So
big
how
guys.
did you apply? क्या apply किया था क्या?
No.
फिर?
So I wanted to study journalism,
हाँ.
and I was good at reading, writing.
हाँ.
वगैरह. I'd done literature in school. तो there was this boy who was like, पता है मैं एक जगह news channel पे काम कर रहा हूँ, and they're always looking for interns. And my father was very pro working early. Like everybody should start
ये तो
working
बहुत अच्छी बात
while
है.
they're studying, so you can get as much experience and get into the real
What does your
world.
father do?
So my father has multiple businesses, but now at the moment he is into properties and into, well, they had an import-export of the car business. Honda South, Honda dealership, Toyota.
Okay.
So imports, exports, rent a car, workshop, everything.
Oh.
And an extension of what my grandfather used to do because they're all one big family. So I don't know if you've heard of Dianfa Motors. But they sort of...
So
own
they
and run
Karachi based हैं हमेशा
Karachi. So
शुरू से.
no.
हाँ.
They came in the 70s.
अच्छा,
pretty
so
late
are you
into Pakistan.
Punjabi? Are you
No,
Sindhi?
so they were in East Pakistan.
अच्छा.
And they'd migrated to East Pakistan from Iran. इसलिए तो मैं तो खूबसूरत हूँ फ्रेया.
ये तो ईरानी है.
अल्लाह तौबा.
वहाँ जाके रहो ना, हिजाब पहनने के बाद घूमना पड़ेगा.
मॉडल
दुपट्टा.
पुलिसिंग मुझे पसंद नहीं है, वरना मैं वहीं होती. But मेरी अम्मा की तस्वीरें हैं तेहरान से.
अच्छा, so अम्मी is
Back in
from
the day.
Tehran.
Yes, they were in Tehran. Then they moved to Dhaka.
हाँ.
And then they moved to Pakistan.
Why did they move to Dhaka?
Business.
अच्छा.
So they went through Iran and basically they had business in Burma. It's really long. We like
Wow.
hippies. I
No,
call
no, I
myself
love
like
this.
the traveling family.
No, but that's great.
And we went to Burma. My grandfather married, a Burmese lady.
Really?
So that also happened. And then Burma or Bangladesh, Bengal का बड़ा connection रहता था. So they opened up a branch of their car company,
अच्छा.
their car showroom, their automobile engineers that my family was. They opened up in Dhaka then,
अच्छा.
Dhaka something.
और पार्टीशन पे फिर आए.
71 में जब हालात खराब हो गए.
अच्छा, पार्टीशन पे नहीं, पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश.
तो तब they already had an office in West Pakistan, and a lot of them were thinking that's the future. So a lot of my family moved from there to America. Some were going to England, and there was an office here for my Nana in Karachi.
अच्छा, so Nana also came.
So Nana came, Nani came, the cousins came, a lot of family came. Okay. So there was a big Iranian migration at that time.
Nana Nani's family who had the business, or your Dada Dadi?
Both.
अच्छा.
So they're also related. My parents are
Iranian.
cousins.
Wow.
इसलिए ये हाल है.
Cousin bhai.
Bye.
No, but all of you guys are like.
So yeah, but there was a big migration of, I don't know if you know of Iranian families from East Pakistan to.
I have no idea.
Yeah.
मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता.
So it's very interesting because there was a whole Isfahani colony.
That I know.
Dhaka, Isfahani colony. So my mother, Khurasani Isfahani, and Shirazis.
अच्छा.
So they all moved here, and there were like lots of them. There was a big Shia community.
Also, Mahin Khan.
I'm related to Mahin Khan.
Is very. Mahin की भी है ना, Burmese,
East Pakistan. So Mahin auntie and my grandparents are very close. They were very good friends. They're all the same community. Muharram में नजर आते हैं, सारे निकल आते हैं यहाँ से. So yeah, we are all extension of that very community.
Have you been to Iran?
I haven't.
ओए तुम इतना घूमती हो.
हाँ, और मेरे cousins भी हैं वहाँ. अभी भी I have extended family. लेकिन वही है कि हालात तो कभी.
Do you know them? उनको जानती हो या नहीं?
क्योंकि वो पाकिस्तान आते रहते हैं. And some of my mother's cousins are very deeply rooted between Tehran and Pakistan.
I like this. It's a very solid family, big group of family.
हाँ, very big family.
And it's everywhere. अमेरिका में भी हैं, ईरान में भी हैं, इधर भी हैं.
नोमी अंसारी जो हमारा कॉमन फ्रेंड है, वो मुझे कहता था कि मैं कहीं जाने से पत्थर उठाता हूँ ना, तो अंदर से मैं अनुषा का कज़न हूँ.
अरे वाह.
कोई निकलता तो मैं अनुषा का कज़न. Like there's so many. My grandfather. Actually, this I've never said on TV.
हाँ, बताओ.
But my dada, mashallah, they were 21 siblings.
ऐसे कैसे?
One mother, one father.
नहीं.
एक हस्बैंड और
21 बच्चे.
एक
खातून ने पैदा
किए और एक अंकल हैं जो उन खातून को जानते थे. तो जब मैं छोटी थी तो मैंने उनको बोला कि आपने मेरी परदादी से कभी मिले थे? तो बेटा जब भी मिलता था तो वो प्रेग्नेंट होती थी. He never saw her not pregnant.
Wow. मैं किसी को नहीं जानती जिसके एक खातून को 21
I mean they were a couple of stillborn उस जमाने में, and then the couple died at birth. लेकिन जो she birthed like 21 children.
Wow.
उसमें 14 to 15 सर्वाइवर्स थे. और फिर अब फैमिली साउथ अफ्रीका कहीं भी जाएंगी मुझे ज़रूर कॉल कीजिएगा, मैं अपना रिश्तेदार ढूंढ के निकालूंगी.
इसीलिए तो मैं इतना घूमती रहती हूँ, हर जगह कहीं ना कहीं निकल आती.
रिश्तेदारों के पास नहीं जाती
क्योंकि ईरान नहीं गई अभी तक. वाओ, दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग हिस्ट्री.
It's very interesting.
Yeah.
So I also did my DNA test.
हाँ, and क्या
निकला?
निकला?
I wanted to find out more about
ये कहाँ अमेरिका में करवाया?
अमेरिका में.
हाँ.
Swab.
अगर किसी को पता नहीं हो कि डीएनए टेस्ट क्या होता है, कि आप स्वैप करवा सकते हैं और वो आपको 7 पुश्तों तक बताता है या उससे ज्यादा?
400 साल तो कितने आ गए?
400 साल. हाँ, वही ना, 7 पुश्तें ही हो गई.
7 पुश्तें ही हो गई.
जो कि आपको पता चल जाता है
कहाँ से है, कहाँ से.
तो क्या निकला, क्या है बताओ?
सेंट्रल एशिया. तो चंगेज़ खान ही होंगे मेरे.
बिकॉज तुम्हारी आंखें हैं ना थोड़ी सी, और फिर तो सेंट्रल एशियन और ईरानी और पाकिस्तानी.
डीएनए में निकला था. हाँ. ईरान तक तो पहुंच ही जाता है बंदा, फिर टर्की से होते हो गए होंगे. पाकिस्तानी.
बट मुगल्स भी तो सेंट्रल एशिया से आए थे.
मुगल भी तो सेंट्रल एशिया. चंगेज़ खान भाई तो मैं कह रही हूँ.
चंगेज़ खान.
आई गेस
खान तो बहुत है ना, मतलब एवरीबॉडी इज अ खान.
मैं खान नहीं हूँ.
नहीं, यू आर
अशरफ आगा.
अच्छा. Wow, so this is interesting. Or schooling, अच्छा, were you like you're middle child or middle child? So बड़ी बहन है.
Unloved.
Natasha.
Uncared for. Yeah, Natasha's bड़ी.
Natasha's
छोटी.
Elise's छोटी. But you can't say unloved because मैंने पढ़ा है कि तुम्हारे अब्बा जान जो हैं वो तुमसे बहुत attached हैं.
He's very attached.
हाँ, तो
But I'm also very attached.
you're like the.
Also because क्योंकि मैं एक अदद हूँ जिसकी शादी नहीं हुई तो मैं इन्हीं के साथ रह गई. बाकी एक Natasha got married at 21, so she's been away like 25 years.
Yeah.
And Alize moved away for education to Sweden, and then she got married and moved to New York. So I am I'd like to say I'm particularly attached to my parents because I've spent a lot of time with them.
And what about your step brothers and sisters, siblings?
The brothers.
Okay.
So they're not here either. Okay. One of them is just.
This is from your mother or from your
fathers?
Okay.
Fathers.
So he was married before?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And then he met your mom?
Yes.
Fell
Oh,
in
they
love.
already knew each other. They were family.
Okay.
Yeah, but they'd both gotten out of
The other
a couple of difficult marriages, and then they kind of
So
found
they
each
got-
other.
So then, okay, this is also interesting because there's less of this from before our generation. मैं not तुम तो मुझसे छोटी हो
yeah,
लेकिन
yeah.
उससे पहले generation से पहली generation.
Yeah, no, it was really a big thing at that time.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Okay, you know, and I mean, Alhamdulillah, I wouldn't say, I mean, I have none of those stories where I'm like, oh, I was from a broken home, or my parents were previously divorced, or there were second marriages, or I had step
Because उनकी अपनी
siblings.
marriage अच्छी होगी ना.
Haan, they've also been
Yeah,
really
yeah,
nice, and it happened like, you know, very amiably and nicely, so it kind of just became
वो bitterness नहीं है.
nahi rahi,
हाँ,
nahi,
नहीं
bilkul bhi
रही.
nahi.
हाँ.
So that was kind of nice, but at that time it was still a lot for my mother, because you know it was the 80s and
Yeah.
it
What
was a
about
weird time.
Wow, but it's good. But your father, वो कैसे हैं? उनकी personality तुम्हारी जैसी है?
I would think so.
Really?
Very outgoing.
हाँ.
He's a very loves to travel, so this passion of traveling,
हाँ.
and you know
Coming from there.
he was the man who used to take us fishing on the weekends, scuba diving on the weekends,
Wow.
throw us into the water, taught us how to drive a bike, you know,
Outdoorsy.
taught me how to drive the car. Yeah, outdoorsy to a point where when I was 13, he actually pulled us out of school for 2 months, and my mother was like, "What are you doing?" He's like, "Oh, we're going on a road trip across Europe, and we need at least 3 months." Took
I
us.
love that.
Yeah, and he got उस ज़माने में
I've
शेंगन
done it
नहीं
with my
लगता था तो
children. हाँ. एक मुल्क का
18 कंट्रीज का वीजा लगा के we
हाँ.
landed in Germany,
हाँ.
गाड़ी रेंट की, and we drove for 2.5 months with our parents like hippies.
कितनी
hippies
मजे
by
की
birth.
बात है यार.
बहुत मजे. It was really
अम्मा
nice.
को भी अम्मी complain नहीं करती थी.
Mama is a champion and they're like
Oh,
partners.
so
So that's why it's
they're-
worked well.
They're a good relationship.
They're very good together.
Okay.
So
And I
they-
think जो traveling से इंसान सीखता है अपने बच्चों को सिखाता है वो आप कितनी भी किताबें पढ़ लें 2 महीने में या स्कूलिंग कर लें वो नहीं आप
नहीं,
सीख
वो
सकते.
exposure, I think the way we got traveling and traveling on a budget, or sometimes, you know, because they were young parents too, so I remember he hadn't made a booking in one of these cities like Prague or something. So my mom was like, "What are you going to do?" He's like, "Well, push comes to shove, we'll all sleep in the car." And my mother's like, "Are you crazy?" But he was that much of a
Adventure.
adventurer.
Yeah.
कर लेंगे, कहीं रुक जाएंगे, सो
Confidence भी है.
जाएंगे.
Yeah, you know, but कि let's go.
हाँ, या फिर it's by the beach, let's just set up camp here, you know, like
लोग लाहौर नहीं जाते तो यहाँ से मुल्क पे जाना और पूरे यूरोप में
पेरिया टाउन
घूमना.
जाने में वो होता है कि
Exactly.
अल्लाह
Thank
मेंटली प्लान
आप
करते हैं
पूरे
पेरिया टाउन.
कॉन्टिनेंट में घूम रहे हो
So he's driven. Driven from Pakistan to Europe. He went from Karachi to London, Kabul,
I like him. I want to meet him.
Russia. Yeah,
मजे
you
के
should.
बहुत मजे के हैं.
You should. Car
Wow.
rallies वगैरह.
This is your now. Let's अब मुझे समझ आ रही है कि तुम्हारी अपब्रिंगिंग जो हुई है ना वो किस तरह हुई है. Okay, and if you're bubbly and cheerful and good energy, तो ये सारी energy एक जगह से आती है ना कि like इतने you encompassing all of it.
Yeah.
And the confidence also.
Mashallah.
Throwing you into the water, chalo bhai fishing chalo.
Literally,
ye
that's how he
karo.
taught
My
me how
dad
to
was
swim.
like this. It was amazing.
Your dad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was
You're
lucky.
also like that.
Yeah, I am.
You're
like-
so adventurous, and I know that you were one of the first people to scuba dive.
Yes, Nashmi and I, we were not the first people.
I mean, as in like,
but we got.
when we
were
never
the
heard
first
of scuba
girls
diving.
who got licenses from Paddy. First
Pakistan?
license, first license
huge.
scuba. Paddy licensed divers because Paddy आया नहीं था. So if you were in Pakistan, you had to get the license, and our हमारे आसिफ चौधरी होते थे. He used to also run a showroom, and he had brought it in. And honestly, it was one of those things that I just wanted to. I think it was ज़माना उस तरह का था कि it was more about achievement. For us, for Nashmi and I, it was about adventure, achievement, because that's what हमें भी इंस्टिल किया हुआ था हमारे अंदर कि ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, ये भी सीखना है, वो भी सीखना है, घोड़ा भी चलाना है, क्रिकेट भी खेलना है, हर चीज़
घोड़ा
करनी
चलाना,
है.
हमने भी घोड़ा चलाया
घोड़ा
था.
चलाया,
घोड़ा
हाँ,
चलाना
मैंने भी.
सीखा, स्विमिंग सीखी,
swimming,
स्कूबा डाइविंग की,
सब
स्काई
कुछ.
डाइविंग की.
सब कुछ.
सब कुछ करना है.
सब कुछ करना है. एंड उससे डर नहीं रहता ना. लोग डरते हैं भाई. लोग जहाज में बैठने से डरते हैं. लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि जहाज में क्या होता है.
I know people who go to the beach and वो बेचारे समंदर जब पानी आता है.
Yeah.
So I'm like, यार, you're really missing out. It's
Yeah,
so
they're
much
missing
fun
out,
to just
yeah.
be able to go into the ocean.
Into the ocean.
and
है ना?
swim in the ocean. It's such a liberating
सुन रहे हैं आप लोग सारे.
feeling.
हाँ? अगर है कुछ दिल में कर जाओ. Because this is life is beautiful. and
दुपट्टा छोड़ देना बाहर, कोई बात नहीं. मतलब दुपट्टे के साथ जो होते हैं ना,
अब मैं
लिपट के वो जो कहते हैं उन्हें कि आंटी
अरे
डूबने वाली
नहीं
है, तो
शलवार
बचाओ.
जो फूल जाती है.
शलवार जो फूल जाती है वो अच्छा लुक है
But I
काफी.
still think
कि जाओ.
एटलीस्ट पानी में तो जा रहे हैं लोग ना.
मैंने
ये-
नहर में देखा था वो
But वो डर लगता है थोड़ा सा.
लाहौर के नहर में
हाँ,
लड़के
हाँ.
शलवार पहन के ना, तो दे एक्चुअली फ्लोटिंग.
float they
I was
float.
like, wow, ये तो लाइफ
Yeah,
सेविंग टूल
yeah,
है
yeah,
शलवार.
But at least look, people at least attempt तो करते हैं ना. वो कुछ लोग तो बहुत खैर ये एक और डिस्कशन. अच्छा, तो ये सब कुछ हो गया, फिर कराची यूनिवर्सिटी हो गया, साथ साथ इंडस विजन स्टार्ट हो गया, वीजिंग स्टार्ट हो गई, और सुना है कि तुम जब
फिर श्रेया अल्ताफ मिल गई, उन्होंने कहा मेरे घर आओ, फवाद खान के साथ खाना वाना खाने का मौका मिला, नूरी से दोस्ती हो गई. मुझे तो समझ भी नहीं आया कि ओवरनाइट मेरी जिंदगी में हुआ क्या.
क्या, व्हाट डू यू मीन? मुझे तो ये कुछ याद ही नहीं है.
As in like, you know,
Meaning life
popularity happened,
हाँ,
life changed,
life
friends became
changed.
really cool, musicians,
फिर MTV आ
actors,
गया यार,
MTV happened.
पाकिस्तान इंटरनेशनल
And I
हो गया.
remember that I used to just hang out with these guys and used to feel really cool.
Of course
because
it's
there were people
cool.
my age who were just dying to meet Atif Aslam, and you know, I would get to go out for dinner with him. So it was really cool.
Of course it's
It was
cool.
a great time, and it still is. It
Of
still
course,
is. Sometimes I
yeah.
still hang out with everybody, and I'm so grateful that I'm, you know, a part of this.
Yes.
It's so nice.
Yeah, it is amazing.
It is quite nice.
The job, I mean, I think being एक ज़माने में वो कहते थे ना, being a VJ was, I think also because you guys brought a certain amount of, it wasn't glamour, it was about
Spunk.
it was about youth. It's about youth and being cool. It was the T-shirt. It wasn't like us models. It was more
wasn't like
about.
that at all.
It wasn't. You
It
had
was
your
more like
personality.
Ghazanfar Ali saying अपने कपड़े ले आओ.
अपने कपड़े ले आओ, लेकिन अपने कपड़े जो आप लोग पहनते थे वो एक, I mean, this
हाँ,
is
वो
the
भी
I'm
था.
talking about early.
थोड़ा बहुत हमने भी
90s.
चैनल भी देखा था.
हाँ,
हम भी गए
exactly.
थे अमेरिका थोड़ा बहुत.
हाँ,
तो हम उसके
exactly.
अपने स्नीकर्स शीकर्स लेकर वापस आए थे.
Sneakers, jeans, you know, rock
हाँ.
era, sort of like early 2000s.
2002.
2002, yeah. Because I came back from Canada and worked with Ghazanfar in 2000 actually. Yeah, I started working with him.
You worked
I
with
worked
him
with him too. Ghazanfar was the first person to do a music video in Pakistan.
Yes.
If I'm not
Combine
wrong.
के साथ.
हाँ, वो पहले उन्होंने किया हुआ था start black and white, and I met him through Imran Aslam and Vital. I mean, the whole thing was happening before you guys, right? Because मैं तो 80s की बनती हूँ ना, मेरे 80s, 1986 when it was just starting out, Vital Signs.
Right,
फिर
Vital
उसके बाद
Signs,
जुनून आया,
Junoon.
फिर all Ali Azmat.
So, and what about Nazia and all?
Nazia was before
Before.
me.
Got it.
So that was before me, and that was वो अलग चीज़ थी, क्योंकि वो बच्चों के प्रोग्राम से शुरू हुआ था ना, कलियों के पता नहीं क्या होता था, not कलियाँ, it was another program on PTV.
I remember
So वहाँ
that.
से नाजिया और ज़ुहैब निकले थे. So that's वो और आलमगीर और मोहम्मद अली शेखी,
मोहम्मद
they
अली
were the
शेखी.
start of the pop era,
हाँ.
which when we were kids, I used to die कि भाई मैं 14-15 साल की and मोहम्मद अली शेखी, you know, like want his autograph, all of that.
Sheikhi and Nazia Hassan single-handedly were two poster children. They were so good looking.
Exactly.
Zohaib Hassan.
Yeah.
And they were making great music and
Music,
fashion and everything.
Fashion and everything. ये बहुत Alamgir
good
also. So it was a very
Alamgir.
amazing era. उससे पहले we only had ghazals and we only had Lollywood music, quite frankly. उससे पहले वो इतना नहीं था, pop music नहीं था.
Pop music
नहीं था, you know.
बिल्कुल.
कवाली थी.
I remember the
नहीं था.
Junoon, and because my sister Natasha at that
Yeah,
time,
yeah.
that was her time. She's substantially क्या, she's relatively older.
हाँ.
So she had done a music video for Vital Signs, and it was a racist video. हम कहते हैं भी गोरे रंग का
अरे वो वाला video, I remember
गोरे
that.
रंग का ज़माना.
मैंने Vital Signs का पहला concert किया था कराची में.
Oh my God.
नश में, और मैंने सिंगल हैंडली सारे टिकट बेचे थे. They came. सलमान अहमद had joined. सलमान was my friend. उसने कहा बेचने, तो I met them. मैंने पहली स्टाइलिंग की है. Vital Signs के पहले कॉन्सर्ट के I went, took them to Zainab Market, got them these white snake long shirts.
Oh my
and
God.
Shahi Rohel, Salman. We had such a good
Junaid
time.
Jamshed was handsome.
And Junaid. And Junaid.
Handsome.
They were
Like,
all.
I remember I was very young.
But they were all very good looking.
They were all very good looking.
Very good looking.
But there was something about Junaid. I guess वो vocalist का
He was
ज़्यादा
a
होता है ना.
vocalist, He was a vocalist.
But yeah, Ruhail Hayat had his own little.
Yeah, because he had blue eyes.
Yeah, and he was the quiet one. And wow.
बहुत मजे का ज़माना.
Then Ali Azmat came.
I'm gonna get Ruhail and Shahi to come and do a
Must.
podcast with us, because we're gonna go back to old times and talk about all
But
this.
you know, are they still friends?
Oh yeah, of
Don't
course.
see them so much together. I
No, they
wonder what
don't. But
happens.
Shahi doesn't live here now. वो इतना नहीं रहता है यहाँ पे. Ruhail is also kind of like a hermit. I met him after a really long time, like face to face. You know, but he's got a place right here next to
Yeah, I know. I also
the
worked
Saudi
with him.
consulate.
I worked with him recently.
Yeah, so
I
there
got
you
to
go.
see him.
So, you know, great talent, done great things for Pakistan, and just continue to write. But this is not about them.
I know. We're
Let's
talking
bring
about
back the
history of
conversation.
history.
We
But
can
I
have
like
another.
it.
Yeah, me too. We
I
can have a
like it.
conversation on the history of music and pop
We should
music
actually, and I
rock
should
music.
interview you
Yeah.
and Ruhail.
Yeah.
करते हैं.
I did the first video for Junoon. I was in the first video for Junoon, which went on MTV.
Which was the video? Which was the song?
It was an instrumental song, Heer.
Oh my god! Oh yes, I remember Heer, and it was so
And
cool
Kuchu.
because we were like, yeah, Kuchu भी था.
Kuchu, मैं Alias को पहली बार मिली थी because he just joined Junoon and he was kicking me. He was playing Kedu था ना, हीर रांझा वाली कहानी थी. So I mean, but we all did things because we wanted to do that. किसी ने पैसे नहीं चार्ज किए किसी चीज़ के, बिकॉज हम लोग इतने एक्साइटेड थे कि यार हम MTV के लिए हमारा वीडियो जाएगा MTV के ऊपर. वाओ यार, you know. So again,
I mean, I would like to take credit कि I think Dino मेरा और फैज़ान का भी जो एक era था, we initially started तो पैसों के लिए नहीं था. It was so much fun. And we were given that free hand by Ghazanfar Ali to just be creative. Budget कम होता था, but जो कॉन्सेप्ट लेकर आओ कर लो, जो करना है कर लो. अच्छा इस पे शो करना है उस पे कर लो, पपेट बिठाना है बिठा लो, कोई कॉन्सेप्ट आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स है. It was so much fun in terms of
vision. I mean, India's vision था ना, but he did have vision because अभी तक, I mean, Mahira Khan, Aisha, Umar, Sanam, सब वहाँ से निकले.
सनम सईद, सायरा यूसुफ, मैं, फैज़ान, अदनान मलिक, मोहिब मिर्जा, Dino था, वकार भी होता था, वकार, अदनान मलिक was there, Annie, remember Annie?
Yes,
Annie. Yeah, he literally had nights.
It's not just this कि उसने वो बच्चा हायर कर लिया या छोटी बच्ची हायर कर ली. It was about giving them the free hand. You see, जब आप young लोगों को, for example, someone like me, if I have a 21-year-old or 22-year-old who I give a free hand to, because their ideas are so different from your ideas, it is so important to do that. Let them do what they want, and because they know something that we don't know.
He always used to tell us this. We used to hang out with him a lot. So we're like, why do you keep hanging out with us? Why don't you have your own friends? He's like, you all keep me young. You'll give me ideas, you'll keep me creative, you'll keep me young. And I always remember that because now I also try to make it a point to hang out with my niece and stuff and just see कि इनकी दुनिया में हो क्या रहा है. So I can also keep, you know. So इसलिए तो मैं TikTok पे इतनी बड़ी स्टार बन गई हूँ अब. You know, मेरे उम्र के लोग जो है वो TikTok की वीडियोस बना.
हरकतें जो है ना वो इस तरह की है कि वो आपको
people are like, yeah, we're winning like national awards. I was like, I've got 3 million views on a TikTok video. Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
But that's an achievement in itself.
Of course it is an achievement. It's also an achievement. I don't think ये age bar होता है. I think age bar का मैं इसलिए कह रही हूँ क्योंकि अगर आपका content मज़े का होगा ना, personality आपकी अच्छी होगी तो आप चीज़ें कर सकते हैं. And also just to have that confidence to do that, you know. How many people you know can do that? तुम मुझे उल्टी हरकतें करते रहते हो तुम तीनों.
हाँ, शर्म नहीं आती है.
नहीं, शर्म की बात ही नहीं है.
हम बना के फिर बाद में लिखते हैं इसीलिए हमारी शादी नहीं हुई. Once we upload the video, नीचे caption होता है कि मजा तो बहुत आया, रिश्ते आते हैं, इसीलिए हमारा कोई अभी तक शादी नहीं.
Come on now, नीचे लिखे नहीं रिश्ते नहीं आते हैं. I like you.
हाँ, आए तो
DM नहीं होता अंदर.
I don't know अगर आपके ज़ुरैन साहब ने रिसर्च किया, लेकिन मैंने इस बारे में एक दफ़ा बात की थी कि मुझे एक रिश्ता आया था इनबॉक्स के अंदर.
अच्छा.
कोई लड़का था किसी गांव में पंजाब से. वेरी नाइस. उसने अपनी
तस्वीरें
भेजी, बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा था. नीचे कहता है अगर आपने मुझसे शादी कर ली तो ये आपकी होगी. तो मैं तस्वीरें थी नीचे, तो मैंने तस्वीरें खोली तो इलेक्ट्रिक ब्लू होंडा सिविक, पहले आगे से फिर पीछे से फिर ग्लव बॉक्स.
मौका गया.
हाँ नहीं की तुमने. मैंने अब्बू को कहा, अब्बू ने कहा बेटा हमारे पास है होंडा सिविक.
शोरूम
कोई बात नहीं, शादी ना करना. अगर नहीं करना चाहती तो मत करो. You know.
But I think
पर वो नियत कितनी साफ थी इस आदमी की, साफ सफाई करके
आप बोल भी दिया.
बोल भी दिया
कि ये झूठे वादे करते हैं, हम आपको लव करेंगे, हम आपको जिंदगी भर आपका शागिर्द रहो. उसने तुझे एक होंडा सिविक ऑफर किया.
I don't think people talk like that anymore. And romance has also changed now.
Romance
it's become so mainstream and
texting is bad now. Texting.
Yeah, romance में, you know, when you really go like, oh I love you so much I could die for you, it just sounds really awful. Who says that?
Unreal also ना. वो वाली कहानी नहीं है वही रांझा और सोनी महिवाल.
But I know people who have written letters बचपन में एक दूसरे को कि you know मैं तुम्हारे लिए ये भी कर दूंगा वो भी कर दूंगा. अब नहीं होता. अब तो बहुत ही
होता है.
cheap सा लगता है.
cheap लगता है लेकिन I think वो generation change होती है.
Because
वो उस वक्त access नहीं होता था.
And I was actually looking for access. Young kids are like, oh, he messaged me on a Tuesday, so I won't message him back before Friday because I don't want to look too eager. I was like, हम तो रात में 4 बजे भी कॉल करते थे, उठा लो या like, you know, कोई तमीज ही नहीं थी. Like, we were so bad, like literally so desperate for them to love us. And now it's like, he messages first. Oh, so he said, let's get dinner. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe I'll make him wait 10 days and then we'll do dinner. I was like, okay, I guess we learned the hard way.
So, have you learned the hard way? First crush क्या था बताओ?
First crush?
वलेती देसी.
ना? क्यों नहीं, मैं आपकी शादी बताइए ना.
हाँ,
first crush
नहीं वो वाली बात नहीं मैं कह रही, मैं पूछ रही हूँ कि first crush क्या है?
फर्स्ट क्रश कौन था? मतलब कोई हॉलीवुड टाइप ही होगा.
हॉलीवुड टाइप था?
नहीं, कोई स्पोर्ट्समैन होगा. एक्चुअली आई रियली, पाकिस्तान में अगर मैं देखूं तो आई रियली हैड अ क्रश ऑन शाहिद अफरीदी. मुझे बॉयज़ोन, बैकस्ट्रीट बॉयज़ के बड़े क्रशेस थे. मैं उनके फैन क्लब्स को लिखा है.
बैकस्ट्रीट
बॉयज़ ने मुझे साइन करके अपने पोस्टर्स, सीडीज भेजे हैं.
अच्छा.
आई हैव अ साइंड बॉयज़ोन टी शर्ट.
वाओ.
या. And I loved Ronan Keating जो होता था Boyzone का main lead until I realized he cheated on his wife with the nanny, which is also fine. But I really had a crush on him. But Pakistani like शाहिद अफरीदी के posters, and I was a poster child. मेरे कमरे में हर किस्म के posters थे और एक शाहिद अफरीदी के posters बहुत सारे थे. Like I remember the first time I saw him, and मैं कितनी बातें कर रही हूँ देखो. आपको मौका भी नहीं दे रही, लेकिन उस वक्त I couldn't say a word.
Really? When you saw him?
Stunned.
Just like this?
Dumbfounded.
And now you must have interviewed him, and you must किसी ना किसी event पे तो तुमने उसके बहुत ज़्यादा interview. फिर तुम सोचती हो कि अरे
मैं नाम नहीं लूँगी क्योंकि ये हमारे national heroes हैं.
Heroes हैं.
लेकिन हमारी एक दोस्त है आमना रशीद, आप भी जानती हैं, मैं भी जानती हूँ. हम मिलने गए प्लेयर्स को पीसी. एक ज़माने में पीसी में चले जाते तो अंदर भाग के हमने एक प्लेयर को पकड़ लिया, वो यंग एंड हैंडसम था. तो वी वर लाइक प्लीज स्टॉप टेक अ सेल्फी. तो उसने सेल्फी दी, तो उसने आमना से कहा व्हाट्स योर नंबर. तो आमना ने नंबर दे दिया और हम बड़े खुश से तुम्हारा नंबर मांग लिया. अब यू नो कि फैंस पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, यहाँ पे उल्टा हो गया, वो बंदा पीछे पड़ गया आमना के. Really? लाइक इसको ब्लॉक कैसे करें? लाइक इज लाइक अ नेशनल हीरो ना, उसके बिलबोर्ड्स लगे हुए हैं हर जगह. एंड वी आर लाइक हाय, इनको भी कोई जिंदगी में एक्सपोजर अल्लाह मियां दे दे थोड़ा. दे गॉन सो big overnight with their success,
but they don't know how
they don't know. And he started literally calling at all odd hours, and you know it became a bit much, and we were like wow, this is ulta. Like usually fans get crazy about guys, but this time, which also goes to show that I guess the lack of, you know, ab bahut better ho gaya. This was also a while ago. I'm assuming now if you know some young girls hote to hain, itna mujhe pata hai, you know, कि cricketers हैं या जो भी हैं, आपके male artists हैं, men in general, they get a lot of attention.
Of course.
They do.
No, अब तो बहुत different है. Sorry, उस वक्त भी.
It's a little scary though now.
It is.
Because social media and screenshots वगैरह, you know. But मैंने भी कुछ चीज़ें देखी हैं.
बताइए ये आपका मौका है. अच्छा वो बताओ जो कि तुम्हें सूट करता है. अच्छा okay, so that was the first crush. चलो शाहिद अफरीदी से, and then Backstreet Boys, and then you were okay. So how long at Indus Vision?
7 years.
7 years.
8 years. 8 years.
17 and a half से लेके 25 तक.
हाँ.
And फिर MTV. MTV was part of it.
Then I started part-time. MTV शुरू हो चुका था. Indus Vision, MTV साथ.
वो दोनों ही था.
फिर then I moved on to ARY because they offered us a lot more money.
ARY Music. सारी music बंद हो गए ना.
Ghazan Prasad wouldn't increase. And they were looking, but you know I could instantly tell the difference between something that's homegrown and it's family like to something that's a corporation and a network. I felt very lost. But I had started a show there for a little while. And वहाँ पे उस ज़माने में दानिश ख्वाजा वगैरह were nice, but I never felt like this again. And then I tried my hand at a little bit. Imran Aslam, God bless him. We did a music show for Geo International. So that went to America and Europe, and it was very popular. Like वहाँ पे एक बड़ी आपकी एक Pakistani community, expat community, we used to tune in. And then I started branching out. You know, hosting red carpets, then eventually on to hosting shows.
So on your
corporate
own.
shows.
You went on your own after that.
Then I went on my own, and things kind of happened by themselves. Then social media happened, and social media really sort of propelled my career by itself. We were putting our work out there, you know, and कोई लोगों का एक art होता है. I guess we took to it well. It really suited us.
It suits you because it's your expression.
Yeah, I mean, I understand when some people are like, it's too much. It's like, I can't make content every day, but I'm like that person who can. Who gets the camera up and makes something or the other.
Because you see a lot of things around you.
And I like interacting.
And you're also I don't know if you realize that you have both of you have a touch of comedy in you.
Yes.
I think host के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी
know
होता है to have एक तो content create, you have to be content creators. You can't just be a host. It's very boring to just read something off, just a script जो client ने दी होती है. लेकिन उसमें से डेली लाइफ से चीज़ें निकाल के देख के इधर उधर से ओ माय गॉड ये कितनी ये होना चाहिए ऐसे, ये कितना स्टूपिड है ये, और इस पे करते हैं बात और इस पे कुछ मजाक उड़ाते हैं. दैट कॉमिक टच has to come from inside of you,
I think that was inborn. Dino to khair was a comedian. His family uske to DNA mein hoga shayad. His grandfather was a comedian.
अच्छा.
He was Lateef Charlie Chaplin को वो emulate करते थे, और वो 50s में पाकिस्तानी फिल्मों में होते थे. He used to do these side roles of comedians and stuff.
Dino also I've known as long जब से मैं तुम्हें जानती हूँ उस वक्त से तो मैं Dino को भी जानती हूँ.
हाँ, और Dino की तो family भी इस business में थी.
Yes, right.
So yeah, he's also got it in his blood. But yeah, I get it. I do understand that. But Faizan generally reminds, when you're watching morning shows and all. So he's like, ये देखो ये बना रहे हैं 40 लाख रुपए महीना. तो I was like, हाँ. He's like, तुम्हें क्या मिल रहा है? Like, Faizan. He's like, ये होते हैं hosts. Suddenly just pull my leg. I was like, लेकिन मैं ये hosting नहीं कर सकती, मैं क्या करूँ?
और फैजान ने तो it's not just hosting ना, he's the voice of a man. Let's just his voice is everywhere. जो भी फोन उठा लो तो आगे से
पोलियो के नन्हे कतरे,
पोलियो के कतरे, कोविड हर जगह,
population control एक ज़माने में. I was like, Faizan is telling us to
but it's such a big business. लोगों को पता नहीं है कि ये कितना अच्छा एक प्रोफेशन बन सकता है जिसमें इतने लोग हैं नहीं. अगर आपकी आवाज़ अच्छी है, आपने एक स्टूडियो में खड़े होके आप वो तो घर पे करता है.
हाँ, उसने अपना बना लिया. वो अपने स्क्रिप्ट भी मैंने भी ये करना शुरू कर दिया. I started working on my own scripts. The client gives me pointers. मैं अपना स्क्रिप्ट भी बना लेती हूँ, उसको थोड़ा पर्सनलाइज कर देती हूँ, so I make them feel a little more comfortable. And क्योंकि हमारी होस्टिंग में भी वो कहते हैं कि जब स्टेज की जो रेगुलर शोज की जैसे अवार्ड सेरेमनीज हो गए या कोई जैसे हम टीवी का कोई बड़ा इवेंट हो गया तो उसके लिए आप फाद मुस्तफ़ा या आपको हुमायूं सईद मिल जाता है, राइट, होस्ट करने के लिए. लेकिन आपकी जो मिडिल टीयर तो इतने भर के शो होते हैं, कॉन्सर्ट हो रहा है, तो कभी कुछ लॉन्च हो रहा है, तो लाइक वो होस्ट है नहीं, तो वो मेरे डीनो पहुंच जाते हैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अपना सूट पहन के. तो लाइक बिकॉज and that is one of the reasons we never started acting mainstream. I really wanted to at some point.
Did you?
I mean, not really, because I would have, because I knew all the people, so I would have found
तुम्हारी आवाज़ देखो, अब तुम्हारी आवाज़ तो मैं उस पर भी बहुत तनकीद हुई थी, राइट, शुरू में
बहुत. हाँ,
क्योंकि तुम्हारी आवाज़ वो नॉर्मल नहीं है ना, थोड़ी भारी आवाज़ है. हाँ, सो उस पर क्या होता था?
उस पर
शुरू में
तनकीद नहीं हुई थी,
फिर
इंडस्ट्री से नहीं, लेकिन एक दो लोगों ने
एक दो तो कुछ भी नहीं होते.
हाँ, तो एक ही दो थे.
अच्छा,
ज्यादा तो नहीं थे. बेसिकली आई वाज ऑन अ लाइव शो एंड आई वाज डूइंग माय हंसी मजाक एंड वन कॉलर कॉल्ड अप एंड हम लाइव कॉल्स लेते थे कि अस्सलाम वालेकुम, किसको सुनेंगे, अच्छा नूरी को सुनेंगे. बात तो हो गई हंसी मजाक, लेकिन फिर एक बंदे का कॉल आया, दे वर लाइक अस्सलाम वालेकुम नुशे. वालेकुम अस्सलाम, कहाँ से बात कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं कौन थे. मैं एक चीज़ कहना चाहता हूँ, आपकी आवाज़ बहुत ही गंदी है. एंड उस वक्त आई वाज 18,
छोटी,
तो माई एबिलिटी टू हैंडल दीज थिंग्स लाइक अब उस वक्त इट रियली हिट मी. मुझे उस किस्म का हेट, अब तो ट्रोल्स इतने हो गए हैं कि पीपल नाउ एंड इट वाज लाइव, सो यू शुड सी माई फेस, इट फेल. आई डिडंट नो हाउ टू हैंडल दिस ऑन नेशनल टीवी, लाइक दिस क्राइसिस वेयर समबडी सेड दैट यू आर जस्ट, योर वॉइस इज ऑफुल, राइट. सो I went home. I cried. It's mean.
Why do people become like so personal? I think why are you even listening? Hello, आप क्यों टीवी, आपके अपनी आवाज सुननी है.
अब मेरे समझ में आता है कि अगर आप एक चैनल को फोन करें, फोन घुमाएं, लाइन में रहें, कि आप उसको ये बोल सकें, तो आप में बहुत ज्यादा नेगेटिविटी होगी. मैक्सिमम अगर मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता तो मैं चैनल चेंज कर दूं.
Yes, exactly.
या फिर कहीं किसी को बोल दूं कि फ्रिया उसकी आवाज बहुत बुरी है.
But it's an attention deficit है ना उस बंदे में, because वो,
लेकिन वो समझ उस वक्त नहीं आती थी.
अपने बारे में सोच रहा है, अपनी आवाज सुनना चाह रहा है,
क्या नफरत होगी उसमें.
So most of the trolls are like that. It's not trolls. Like why everyone says now, why are you following us if you are going to troll us? Why are you following?
But how do you handle trolls? Because I'm sure you get them too.
I don't look at them.
You don't look at them.
मुझे तो बात है ना, बुड्ढी उम्र तो देखो, एक पैर कब्र में है. फिर मुझे याद है ये कोई उम्र है, ये कपड़े पहनने की उम्र है. अरे फिटे मुंह तेरा, who are you? I mean,
नेविश हयात ने बड़ी अच्छी चीज की थी एक दफा. उसने कोई तस्वीर लगाई थी तो किसी ने नीचे लिखा तुम मुसलमान हो, तो मैंने उसको
वो तो बहुत
प्रोटेक्ट करने
आता
के लिए
है,
लिखा था नहीं ये मैं तो शायद लाइक उल्टा ही कर दिया.
It's funny.
तो क्या it was funny.
Yeah.
लेकिन I asked her, I was like, how do you handle it? And she said, अनुषा मैं अपना काम कर रही हूँ, मैं फिल्में कर रही हूँ, मैं दुनिया घूम रही हूँ, मैं पाकिस्तान के लिए इतना काम कर रही हूँ, ये बेचारा कौन होगा, कहाँ होगा, अब मैं इसकी फिक्र करूँ. That's when I realized कि चलो at the end of the day Priya Altaf is you know chilling out on a yacht at the south of France. अब उसकी frustration तो बनती है आपको देख के.
Of course.
उसको गुस्सा तो आना चाहिए. This life is not nice.
Anybody who gives you look, मुझे negative comments, I don't even think negative. I think positive comments on something which is wrong. For example, किसी औरत की इंडिपेंडेंस पे या किसी के डिवोर्स पे या किसी के दुख पे अगर आप बुरी बात करते हो तो उस पर अगर कोई बात करता है कि भाई ये गलत है तो आई अंडरस्टैंड. बट ये जो बात है ना कि इट्स नन ऑफ योर बिजनेस एंड व्हाई आर यू इवन फॉलोइंग मी एंड यू नो देन दिस हम आपको अनफॉलो करें. करो भाई, तो केयर यू अनफॉलो करो. व्हाई आर यू इवन देयर? आपको कुछ होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे. पाकिस्तान एक तो फालतू टाइम.
किसी ने कहा था कि मैं आपको अनफॉलो कर रहा हूँ तो मैंने कहा अल्लाह मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था कल तक आप मुझे फॉलो कर रहे हो.
एग्जैक्टली
कर दें
आप हैं कौन?
मुझे मेरे उस पे मुझे कुछ समझ पता भी नहीं चलेगा. आप चुपचाप भी कर देते मुझे बहुत तकलीफ नहीं हो रही.
एग्जैक्टली
आप चाह रहे थे.
They feel like it's so important, you know, that they feel like they're so
there's some level of deep-rooted hatred and frustration against women in general. Women in general.
Yeah.
You know, there is a hate.
Yeah,
sometimes when you walk into a place, and I'm sure that, you know, as much as you've made a success and a name for yourself, I feel like there must be a lot of men who may feel very insecure and must have said some really bad things.
I don't care.
You don't care, which is why you are where you are.
Yeah.
You know, and you've got a supportive family. Like there was a picture of me at the beach with my father and my sisters. So we were all standing at the beach and I was wearing a pair of shorts. Alize apna bachche ko bhi sath and Abu was in the middle. And you were like at the beach. तो किसी ने लिखा कि वो जब बाप ही ऐसा बेगैरत आदमी है तो बेटियां तो यही कपड़े पहनेंगी ना.
So तुम्हें
तो my first showed it to my father. I said अब आपको कह रहे हैं बेगैरत. तो उनका भी था.
He started laughing. He started laughing.
I was like आप laugh कर रहे हैं. He's like बेटा. So I was like good. I'm glad that my family अल्लाह का शुक्र है that they managed to see beyond all of this.
Yeah.
And it didn't hurt him, it didn't upset him,
No,
it didn't worry him.
I don't think it ever worried
माशरा
him.
मेरे बारे में क्या कह रहा है.
माशा उस वक्त कह रहा होगा
तो है
दो
क्या
और
हमारी
2.5
बेटी अगर
months.
टीवी में आ जाए.
2.5 months your father took you to Europe on a road trip. Who does that? ना उस ज़माने में I must be 20-30 years ago, right?
Yes.
हाँ, तो अब मैं ये कह रही हूँ ना उस वक्त भी उनको कहते होंगे हाँ पागल है. यही कहते हैं ना सबसे पहले जो चीज समझ
नहीं थे ना
जो चीज
तो अब
समझ
तो
नहीं आती
पब्लिक वो होता है. तो when that thing was on Instagram
it hurt you.
It hurt me.
But when you
actually
saw
you're
him,
right and then they said something about my sister जिसका कोई काम भी नहीं था कि उसकी तस्वीर शायद मैं ऐसे लगा देती. Whenever we are at parties,
Because
say
they know
you are
they
making a
can't
video, you don't care.
They can't
But say if
hurt
I am there and if somebody sees me, so I always feel like you know I shouldn't
आपका
have done that to
मेहमान
that
है,
person.
आपका मेहमान था या
हाँ,
आपका
कि I don't want कि मेरी
Yeah.
बहन को कोई ऐसे कहे. और किसी ने मेरी बहन को कह दिया कि बहन को तो देखो ये क्या कपड़े देखो पूरा खानदान ही ऐसे है.
Yeah, but they know that that's what's going to get because वो आपको तो पता है आपको तो परवाह नहीं है. आप कह रहे हैं unfollow me, I don't care. But वो फिर कहते हैं अच्छा हम किसी और को hit करते हैं. This is
very the people you love. बाप माँ बहन भाई.
See in our culture it's always like that. We are very protective of our families or whatever. I mean, but the thing is we have to remember that we're coming from these families and this ये जो thought process उस बंदे की है वो आपकी फैमिली की थॉट प्रोसेस है ही नहीं. So they're going to stay away from it. A lot of people don't understand you and me, people like us, कि हमें कोई फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता. It's not क्योंकि हम बगैरत हैं. It's not because हमें
लेकिन मुझे ये हुआ था by the way. I was in a relationship for a little while where I think the family did make me feel very small about my choices. अच्छा फिल्म भी करना है. वो वजाहत ने कोई एक छोटा सा कुछ ऑफर कर दिया था कि तुम डांस अच्छा करती हो एंड वी हैव दिस डांस नंबर एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक एन आइटम नंबर. इट्स यू एंड द एक्टर एंड एवरीबडी इज हैविंग अ हाउस पार्टी एंड यू वांट यू टू कम इन एज अ फ्रेंड एंड अनुषा इज आल्सो हियर एंड यू डू अ लिटिल डांस बिकॉज यू डू इट सो वेल. एंड दे वर लाइक ओह तो अब ना नेक्स्ट यू गोइंग टू बी लाइक मुझे स्टेज पे भी नाचना है. These are really educated people. And I was, you know, seeing their son for a while.
Yeah, but ठीक है. तो आपको लगता है कि हमारे साथ नहीं हुआ ये? हमें तो कहा
नहीं
जाता था
मुझे लगा
80s में,
फिर
मुझे
then
भी,
I got went into a bit of a depression because मेरी
I
anxiety
also,
बहुत हो गई थी because I didn't do it लेकिन मेरा दिल भी था करने का
you
and I
young.
started when they started telling me what to do I started getting anxious.
So this is gaslighting, basically. It's
It
kind
is
of
gaslighting,
gaslighting
it
because they're
is.
trying to make you feel inferior.
But then they also make you
about
feel
your
like
choices.
आपकी शादी कौन करेगा आपसे आपकी हरकतें ऐसी हैं तो तुमसे शादी करेगा
तो
कौन.
फिर भी मुझसे 20 साल छोटी होगी एटलीस्ट.
हाँ.
हाँ, सो इमेजिन कि 20 साल पहले उससे, when you are going, for me to go in front of a camera, to be in an ad, to be working even, उस वक्त working women के लिए भी अच्छा, advertising is acceptable, teaching has always been acceptable
Teaching और
for
डॉक्टर
girls.
डॉक्टर
हाँ, वो तो खैर डॉक्टर बन जाए, वो
डॉक्टर बन जाए लेकिन काम ना करें.
डॉक्टर पैसे
हाँ,
पैसे
पैसे
पैसे आते हैं.
इस इंडस्ट्री में तो बदनामी भी थी पैसे भी नहीं थे.
So even the
लोग भी ठीक-
acceptable profession, not acceptable
Not
profession.
acceptable, yeah.
Okay, and then going into PTV was like बहुत गंदा माहौल है. There was no गंदा माहौल. Going into modeling बहुत गंदा माहौल है. I'll tell you, advertising की एजेंसी में ज़्यादा गंदा माहौल था than PTV.
मैं आपको बताऊं लोग मुझे कहते हैं आप मीडिया में काम करती हैं आपके साथ कुछ तो हुआ होगा. एंड आई वाज लाइक नहीं मुझे बहुत इज्जत मिलती है बहुत अच्छे लोग काम करते हैं
Yeah.
मुझे बहुत इज्जत देते हैं एंड आई ऑलवेज हैड अ वेरी गुड टाइम. लेकिन मैं आपको एक और चीज़ बताऊं कि बैंक्स में जितनी हरासमेंट औरतों की होती है हमें कौन वी ऑलरेडी प्रीटी मच इंडिपेंडेंट इन अ
there,
सेंस
yeah.
मीनिंग लोग डरते हैं या दो दफ़ा सोचते होंगे फ्री अल्ताफ से बदतमीजी करने से. लेकिन वो जो बैंक में एक लड़की आती है दुपट्टा पहन के जो टेबल पे बैठती है वो कहती है जी सर मैं आपके लिए क्या करूँ उसको जितना लोग हरास करते हैं मुझे नहीं करते मेरे बिजनेस में. यू नो
नहीं, because तो लाइक माइंडेड लोग आते हैं ना.
लाइक माइंडेड लोग भी आते हैं एंड आई थिंक आर्टिस्ट्स एक दूसरे को समझ जाते हैं
Respect है.
करते
I
हैं.
mean, we feed off each other. जैसे
We
तुम
do.
कह रही हो, you know, you were
क्योंकि वो
sitting with
आपको
the
पहले
artist.
आर्टिस्ट के तौर पे देखता है बनस्बत एक औरत है जिसने क्या पहना हुआ है शायद. I'd like to believe
नहीं
that.
नहीं, that's true.
और वो हुमायूं सईद से लेकर किसी के बारे में भी आप कह दें वो ये वो हैं और ये बड़े शौकीन हैं और वो बड़े
Nothing.
इज्जत
Yeah.
देते हैं वो लोग.
Yeah, exactly.
इज्जत
They're
देते
not
हैं
like that
सब
at
एक
all.
दूसरे को इज्जत देते हैं.
बिल्कुल, I think, और ये बात आई एम सरप्राइज हुई तो 20 साल पहले कोई बात कह रहा है मगर उनकी सोच इतनी गिरी हुई है. एंड येस यू राइट, इट इजंट कमिंग कि जी वो आप मिडिल क्लास हैं या लो मिडिल क्लास हैं. इट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम द elite class.
पढ़ा लिखा
पढ़ा लिखा,
These are पढ़ा
educated.
लिखा respectable people who are like oh so
वो
now you
उनके
want
वो
to
elite
dance.
culture, वो जो what you see.
I
in-
want to dance.
Yeah.
And then they were like oh so next you'll come then and you'll be like मैंने फिल्म करनी है. I was like देखिए मुझे करनी होती तो मैं 10-15 साल से तो काम कर रही हूँ लेकिन I don't want anybody else dictating कि मैं करूँ. I want to be that person who can make the right decision for myself.
But I think it's also changing. I think you saw elite class, they would never have their pictures on Facebook. It was always a blank. And then their girls would never go and do anything in media or participate in any of that.
But do you not feel like when you still enter a place where they're wives of politicians and diplomats and they may just look at you and feel like, well, you know.
Nobody does that to me. I
Not
don't even.
you.
I don't hang out with those
feeling
people.
generally.
I don't.
Even though, oh God, I don't even know if I should say this on the podcast. But
कुछ
maybe
नहीं
I
होता.
should.
We're
Not that
just
I really
having a-
care, but I
yeah.
went to one of these diplomatic dinners at one of these embassies. Not the British High Commission, just so you know. But I was looking at the wives of a lot of our politicians also. And I'm sure they go through their own ups and downs of, you know, their husbands have a very tough job and a very fancy lifestyle. But, you know, like, the minute I went and sat near one
The
of those people saying, I
energy
really
was
admire your
bad.
work, sir. You've done so much for, say, the streets of Karachi. I'm just using an example. There's no one particular politician. Their wives look like I was maybe perhaps trying to
Line them up.
line up their husbands because their mentality or their mindset is pretty much that pretty
Everybody
girl,
wants
they
a
hang
favor.
out with politicians,
Yeah.
models or actresses और टीवी में जो लड़कियां
हाँ.
आती हैं उनका काम ही ये होता है कि वो politicians के साथ घूमती हैं.
Which is not true.
It's still there. It's not true at all.
Yeah.
I wish. You know, I'd be so.
Why you don't
I'd be
wish?
so moneyed and
You
rich
don't
and
wish.
I'd have my own Prado. But at this moment, I've come in a little car to Priya's podcast. अपनी मेहनत की कमाई की गाड़ी है.
कितनी
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
अच्छी बात.
अल्लाह का शुक्र है.
हाँ यार.
But I'm just saying that I don't get to feel that way anymore now because again we've tried hard, we've worked hard, we've proven
Yeah.
ourselves. But I'm sure some models feel that, and it's true.
The younger girls maybe. Yeah. I think
Or maybe
so.
those who are not as exposed or
Exposed or
or
have
didn't have
that
such
kind of
supporting
level of
families.
confidence or like don't care anymore. You have to go beyond it also, no? And I hear you though. I hear,
Yeah, I
and you
feel
know, you
like-
can feel that in the room. That energy is in that room. You know, where everyone's eyeing you and looking at you and like not, you know.
Yeah, because I went and sat with some uncle who'd done some good work. I thought, and I was like, oh, Salikum wa Mubarak ho. He's like, how are you, Nushe? This and that. And I'm sure that he's also given her all the reasons to get insecure. I assume. But I was like, not my thing, really.
Yeah, but you have to change. The change is going to take some time, and you've also become an activist. You've become, वो कहते हैं ना, outspoken हो गई हो काफ़ी. I mean, feminist हो, independent हो. You are.
Feminism भी मुझे
and
बहुत देर से समझ में आई.
हमने तुम्हें ये cushion भी इसीलिए दी है.
Let's think about Earth.
Yes.
24 घंटे.
All the time,
All the
right?
time.
Yeah.
With everything I do.
So I think that the reason is because ये चीज़ें जो हैं जो you are promoting animal I mean I see you at these things, right? Animal rights. I hear you also when you're speaking up, and you get printed a lot, and you get reposted a lot, and और तुम्हारे जो thought process है when you write it down, maybe because you've become really good at scripting and everything, it's written down very well, and it's explained very well.
That's so sweet of you. Thank you.
No, it's true. I don't know if you know this, but I do it. When I see you, I like all the posts that you put up. I'm not talking about the Halla Gulla with Dino, which is TikTok. I'm talking the other side, which is inside of you, which is in your mind, in your soul, and it's coming out. वो बहुत important बातें हैं. So you feel very strongly about certain things. I mean, what is it that you've already talked about the negative energy and the mentality. What else really bothers you? There's so many, right? Things that we talk about.
Yeah, I mean, I speak a lot about the environment. I speak a lot. I signed up with the WWF as their ambassador here in Pakistan. I was one of the first, actually. It was really nice.
Yeah.
I went around for those mangroves. We did the endless plantation.
माने बढ़ गए हैं ना mangroves.
Mangroves बढ़ गए हैं.
हाँ.
Tigers नहीं. Snow leopards बढ़ गए.
Snow
Tigers भी
leopards
बढ़
भी
गए.
बढ़ गए, हाँ.
In Bengal बढ़ गए.
हाँ.
आपके river dolphins बढ़ गए. So those have been good. आपकी हुबारा बस्टर्ड्स पे काफ़ी काम हो रहा है. So illegally आके उनकी hunting बहुत होती है.
Yeah, I hate
तो
that.
और वो क्योंकि आपके सऊदी वगैरह से लोग आते हैं, they pay millions and millions, तो लोग
And they pay millions also for the mahor.
मारखोर के लिए भी. तो मारखोर की भी पॉपुलेशन
बढ़ गई है. I've seen them in the
बढ़
Hindu
गई है.
Kush.
और yeah, but overall global warming and ये वो तो चल रहा है. आपकी smog situation.
Did you see that अभी जो recent आया था वो shells जो उनको not tortoise, turtles.
Turtles.
Did you see that in the अखबार?
बेच रहे हैं चाइना को.
हाँ.
तो बहुत अरसे से हो रहा है.
हाँ. But
By the way, और वो बहुत rare turtles होते हैं जो आते हैं आपके समंदर पे.
हाँ.
वो they come to hatch their
Eggs. हाँ.
and then they steal those hatchlings and they sell them to China for meat because it's exotic.
Yeah.
But they don't realize that olive ridley turtle comes to Pakistan and then makes the way to New Zealand. That's it. That's their home, and they come and lay their eggs here. 2 places in the world, and we sell their meat illegally. The wildlife minister was on it. So that time PTI was in power, and I remember asking somebody, and I was like, आप लोग इतना करते हैं पाकिस्तान के लिए और हक के लिए, तो ये कौन है? आपको पता है कि आपके वाइल्ड लाइफ मिनिस्टर ने क्या किया है? तो दे टोल्ड मी कि क्योंकि यही लोग घूम रहे हैं पॉलिटिक्स में. जैसे इंडस्ट्री में भी हम ही घूम रहे हैं. शो नहीं होता तो अनुष्का को बुला लो, इवेंट कराना है तो श्रेया को बुला लो. तो दे लाइक जब मिनिस्टर ढूंढना होता है तो वो 4 बंदे होते हैं, उसमें से किसी एक को उठा लो, क्योंकि अनुष्का तो नहीं, उसको तो नहीं करना. उन्होंने मुझे कहा आप आ जाएं, आप पॉलिटिक्स में आपकी डिग्री है. उस वक्त उन्होंने मुझे कहा आप आ जाएं, आप सिंध वाइल्ड लाइफ डिपार्टमेंट ज्वाइन कर लें, एंड चलते फिरते हम आपको वाइल्ड लाइफ मिनिस्टर बना देंगे. बन जाए. क्योंकि जगह है और आपकी नीयत अच्छी है. तो नए लोग तो आए, जवान लोग तो आए अपने मुल्क. कितना आप सिर्फ आके कह रहे हो कि समंदर को खाली कर दिया आपने,
तो फिर
मछलियां खाली,
फिर क्या हुआ?
तो मैंने कहा नहीं, पॉलिटिक्स में तो मैं नहीं आऊंगी. बिकॉज मेरी लाइफ, मेरी तस्वीरें, फ्रिया के साथ मैंने इतनी पार्टीज की हैं, वो सारी जो
मैं तो कभी आ ही नहीं सकती पॉलिटिक्स.
वो वीडियोस हुमायूं सईद के साथ कभी चिपक के तस्वीर ले ली. कितनी बदनामी होगी मेरी. ऐसे मेरे बाप वैसी इतना सहता है, मेरे पूरे साथ जो पुश्ते हमने की थी उनको भी सहना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि कितना कचरा होता है. यू सिट ऑन टीवी एंड ऑल दे टॉक अबाउट इज उनकी शादी, उनके तो बच्चे, उनके
टैपिंग योर फोन्स.
ये कोई पड़ोसियों में लड़ाई हो रही है, पॉलिटिक्स हो रहा है. बिकॉज वो एक दूसरे को, वो तो शराब पीते हैं, उनकी तो बेटी ने दुपट्टा भी नहीं लिया था. वहाँ मुल्क चल रहा है, यहाँ पे पॉलिटिक्स हो रही है, वेरी नाइस।
बट ये बाहर भी होता है
हाँ। लेकिन हमारे यहाँ क्योंकि इसको मजीद गंदा माना जाता है ना, अभी तो मैं आपके यहाँ आके बैठ के एक सिगरेट पी लूँ तो बाहर चल जाएगा, यहाँ पे तो अगर एक सिगरेट मेरे हाथ में किसी को नजर आ गया तो मैं बेगैरत हूँ, मैं इज्जत के लायक नहीं हूँ, मैं लोगों को खराब भी कर रही हूँ, मैं तो
आप कितने भी टर्टल्स बचा ले,
हम कितने भी टर्टल्स बचा, आप कितने भी दरख्त लगा लें, वो सिगरेट आपको ना मार डालेगा।
एग्जैक्टली
सिगरेट जो है ना वो आपकी सारी दरख्तों के काम है, वो एक तो वो 1 मिलियन सुनामी और वो एक सिगरेट।
This is true.
It's true.
It's so
it happened
true.
with Musharraf, it happened
Yeah.
with a lot of people.
Yeah.
So having said that, I was like, मुझे तो politics में नहीं आना. So then he said something very good though.
Right.
And this is for everybody who's watching, especially in places of influence, that they said that Anushe, गटर को साफ करने के लिए गटर में उतरना पड़ता है, ठीक है, तो आप गंदे होगे, आप बहुत गंदे हो गए, आपको लोग गालियाँ देंगे और करते हैं, बेनज़ीर से लेकर मरियम नवाज जैसी भी हैं, आपको पसंद है नहीं पसंद है, मुझे भी नहीं पसंद है, लेकिन गालियाँ पड़ती हैं, लेकिन वो कर रहे होते हैं। अब मैं उस किस्म के अगर मुझे ढीठ बनने के लिए तैयार हूँ तो फ्रिया मैं आपके साथ हूँ।
अपनी गवर्नमेंट बना लेते हैं हम लोग,
आप अपनी
सारे
पार्टी
जो
तो बना
सेलिब्रिटीज जो है ना सारे मिलके
आप अपनी पार्टी तो बना दें। दिल तो आर्टिस्ट की सबसे अच्छी है, ये तो मैं बता दूं, गारंटी।
फॉलोइंग भी
है थोड़े से पागल,
फॉलोइंग भी बहुत है,
लेकिन नीयत जितनी इनकी साफ है ना, क्योंकि जितनी गालियां खाने के बावजूद वो अपने ख्वाब को जीने की कोशिश करते हैं, मुझे लगता है कि ये सही लोग हैं।
I think I think you know, we had a Erica Robbins here before you.
Yes.
And for a little girl too, the way उसने अपना describe किया है ना कि journey जिस तरह उसने अपने पैसे खर्च किए और क्या what she went through just to get that title for Pakistan and how people were treating her was incredible. You know, incredible story. And you're absolutely right कि अपनी dreams के लिए you sacrifice so much, you know, it goes and it's public also ना, फिर एक अपनी personal life भी इतनी ज़्यादा public हो जाती है, वो वही लोग उछाल रहे होते हैं।
हाँ, अभी भी मेरा father was like, ये कुछ एक लड़का था तुम्हारी जिंदगी में, अभी भी गूगल में जब मैं गूगल करता हूँ तुम्हारी तस्वीरें उसके साथ आ जाती हैं, तो ऐसे गूगल है सबके साथ ही आ जाएंगी। I said, can't you get it removed? I was like, आपको क्यों तकलीफ पड़ रही है कि मैं तो रहने दे,
हाँ रहने दो, it's part of your history, तो वो जा तो सकता ही
नहीं। Please.
Yeah.
I was like, everything is now part of our lives, and
it is true, and it's all about growth and growing up and everything. Okay, so now let's go back a little bit again, because we've talked about Indus Vision, we've talked. Okay, you know, let's talk about
Zurain.
Who's Zurain? Oh, Zurain was with you?
No, I'm just saying.
No, she's the mazak kariye.
Let's talk about Nomi.
TikTok kariye. Nomi we can talk about forever, because we thought Nomi ki shirt pehni hai tumne, this colorful dots wali. And so let's talk about let's talk about other things, like other than work, health and wellness. Let's talk about what you think about that. How do you manage? I mean, first of all, what time do you wake up in the morning?
सुबह 5 बजे.
देखा, okay. That's amazing.
शक्ल से नहीं लगता ना, फजर पढ़ती हूँ.
Fajr, okay. And very good.
5 नमाज.
Very good.
I'm not trying to be a show off. I'm just saying.
So no, this is a very difficult thing. Yeah.
I wake up for my namaz. Then I do a little bit of meditation.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah. Then I make myself a cup of coffee. And I put on Surah Rahman. And then I literally, will kid you not, मेरा एक छोटा सा backyard है मेरे apartment में. अपनी कॉफ़ी लेके, अपनी किताब लेके, सूरह रहमान लगा के बैठती हूँ, और मेरी 2 बिल्लियाँ और 2 कुत्ते पता नहीं कहाँ से आते हैं, लेकिन वो भी सुनते हैं।
Really?
हम सब मिलके सूरह रहमान सुनते हैं।
मेरी नानी कहती थी,
उनको जैसे जानवरों में है,
जानवरों,
मुझे जानवरों से इतना प्यार है।
मेरी नानी जब आती थी ना, मैंने कहती अल्लाहू अल्लाहू कर रही है, सुनो अल्लाहू अल्लाहू कर रही है, चिड़िया
कर रही है, वो कर रही है। मुझे ये यकीन है कि जानवर और आपकी ये जो पौधे वगैरह, ये completely are in submission to God. They aren't think, उनको ज़बान की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, उनको पता है। तो ऐसे आते हैं और वो बैठते हैं, फिर मैं मुँह हाथ धो के आराम से 6:45 बजे काम पे जाती हूँ। फिर जिस दिन मैं देर से सोई होती हूँ तो मैं 1-8 घंटा आके सो जाती हूँ, वरना मेरी आइज़ पफी हो जाती हैं।
No, it's good to take a nap anyway. वो तुम्हारे लिए तो midday हो जाता है ना? हाँ. So and actually
even if I don't take a nap,
get up at dawn.
Yeah, even if I don't take a nap, like by 12:30, if I manage to just stay awake, I get so much done that by 2 p.m. I'm ready to sit down on even in the middle of the week at 2 p.m. I can watch Netflix.
Yeah.
I have time with my mom and dad.
Yeah.
I take my dogs out for a walk.
Yeah.
I meet up with a friend who may be home.
Are you
So-
living with your parents?
No, I moved out 3.5 years ago,
So
but they're down the road.
बिल्कुल independent हो.
बिल्कुल belonging में.
Nice.
Yeah.
So independent हो and you have dogs and cat, 2 dogs and 2 cats.
Yes. वो
Nice.
one dog था,
हाँ.
लेकिन अम्मा अब्बा ने मेरे साथ धोखा किया
हम्म.
कि हमें एक मिल गया बेचारा, बहुत प्यारा है, बहुत
अच्छा, वो भी
rescue
तुम्हारी तरह है
वो
भाई.
नंगा भूखा है, उसको ले लो.
Sweet.
फिर ले लिया. फिर मैंने कहा चलो मैं इसको सही कर देती हूँ. फिर मैं जो उसको देने जा रही थी, हमने कहा तुम्हारे से इतना प्यार हो गया उसको, कहाँ दोगी. वो मेरी तरह, my mother,
हम्म.
I don't know if you know this, but बचपन में we had a house in PCHS with a big garden at the back. My mother would कौवे का बच्चा, खरगोश का बच्चा, बकरी अगर बीमार हो गई,
अल्लाह.
बतख, हमने बंदर भी पाला है क्योंकि उसका हाथ टूट गया था. अम्मा उसको ख़रीद के ले आई थी
अल्लाह.
कि मैं उसको देख नहीं सकी. तो मेरे घर के पीछे
हम्म.
हर किस्म का जानवर था.
हम्म.
कुत्ते बिल्लियाँ तो थे ही. कोई भी अंधा हो, लंगड़ा हो, गाड़ी से कुछ टूट गया हो, उसकी टांग टूट गई हो, वो दरख्त से गिर गया हो. माई मदर,
It was great upbringing.
yeah, my mother used to bring them in, and she would always say that we don't want to care about breeds, but we'll help these guys. So हमेशा सबको सही करा करो के. कौवे को खुद हाथ से खाना खिलाती थी. I was like, माँ इतना कौवा है.
Yeah.
She's like, उसका पर टूटा हुआ है, वो बेचारा भी उड़ नहीं सक
But
रहा है.
what was that kawa like? Are they vicious or they're not vicious?
वो मामा को बहुत पहचानता था.
Hmm.
उनकी मैंने अपनी आंखों से देखा है कि हमारे यहाँ जो मुर्गी होती थी, मेरी माँ उसको बहुत प्यार करती थी पकड़ पकड़ के सारा टाइम. शी वाज ब्यूटीफुल मुर्गी. तो जब हम घर आते थे रात में देर से, चाहे वो सो रही हो कुछ भी हो, शी यूज्ड टू कम रनिंग एंड शी यूज्ड टू डू दिस विद हर विंग्स. वो अपने परों के साथ ऐसा करती थी जब तक मेरी माँ उसको गोद में ले लेती थी. मैंने कभी जानवरों का सा
You know, like हर जानवर जो है वो प्यार, जो जिसको हग करो या प्यार करो
दो,
तो
जो उसको खाना दो, उसके ख्यालों को पहचानता
वो
है.
पहचानता है.
वो पहचानता है. वो हम बाहर झूले पे बैठते थे तो मुर्गी आके अम्मी की गोद पे ही बैठ जाती थी.
Wow.
गोद नहीं छोड़ती थी.
Wow.
बेचारे.
Interesting.
फिर मेरे अब्बू ने एक दिन जोक किया कि अब इसको टाइम आ गया है, इसकी बिरयानी बनाएंगे.
Don't be silly.
नहीं, we didn't. Obviously not. Priya, we didn't. They're like, ये होती है असल
मैं तो
कुर्बानी.
शक्ल देखो like
ये
oh my.
होती है असल कुर्बानी. नमाज like नहीं, मैं ये कुर्बानी मुर्गी. हमारे यहाँ एक बकरी भी आई थी कुर्बानी के लिए.
नहीं दी किया
आई
नहीं.
थिंक मैं 12 साल की थी. मैं इतना रोई और अब्बू मुझे बोलते हैं कि जब वो कुर्बानी वाले आ गए थे तो मैं उस पर गिर गई. मैं कहा मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगी, लेकिन मैं ये कुर्बानी नहीं होने दूंगी. जबकि मैं खाती हूँ, मुझे इस्लाम में हलाल मीट में ये वो सब पे यकीन है. बट वो जो प्रोसेस है ना, उससे मुझे बहुत तकलीफ होती है. आई डोंट थिंक इट्स डन द राइट वे.
I also don't think so.
एंड
It's very personal.
अभी भी मैं
to-
मुर्गी लेने
हाँ.
नहीं जाती. मैं खुद नहीं जाती मुर्गी लेने, बिकॉज व्हेन यू लुक एट द केजेस एंड यू लुक इनसाइड,
inhuman,
वो
yeah.
बीमार हैं, उनके पर गायब है, उनके गर्दन ऐसे हो रहे हैं, उनसे बदबू आ रही है. ऐसे कि हलाल कैसे हो सकता है. हम हलाल बिस्मिल्लाह कह के बस अल्लाह अकबर कह के उसका गला काट देते हैं. लेकिन जिन हालात में उनको रखा हुआ है ना, मेरे नॉलेज के मुताबिक इट्स अनइस्लामिक.
Yeah.
तो इसलिए मैं कहती हूँ, आप लोग कहते हैं मैं हलाल खा रही हूँ, तुम कहीं भी जाती हो कुछ भी खा लेती हो. तो हमने क्या, क्योंकि मुझे इसकी हालात, मुझे नहीं लगता कि अल्लाह मियाँ ने कहा है कि जानवर के साथ ये करो फिर उसको खा लो. मार वो वैसे ही बीमार हैं. वो मुर्गियाँ उसमें बीमार ही होती हैं.
Yeah, I know.
वो कोई खुश बाश हेल्दी एनिमल तो है नहीं.
Right.
Yeah, it's like a badly abused animal that you're eating. It's already infected with many diseases for, you know.
Okay. So, I mean, people get exhausted from these morning shows, huh? तो अभी तक तुम ठीक चल. And what time do you sleep?
10:30. I'm in
That's
bed.
so good.
But then I read.
Till.
आधा घंटा 1 घंटा
that's
every
good.
day.
हाँ.
I read.
So you get about 6
socializing very
hours.
less. मुझे कोई invite नहीं करता. Please invite me to
मैंने
some
तुम्हें
parties.
किया था invite.
आप करती हैं, मजाक कर रही हैं, आप करती हैं. Imagine ये आई थी गेस्ट बन के, मुझे प्लीज पार्टी के थोड़े से इनविटेशन, थोड़े पैसे तो दिलवा दें प्रिया मैम.
No problem there. That's not a
I don't
problem.
socialize because
Yeah, but
वो
weekends
नींद
पे
आ
तो कर
जाती है.
सकते हो ना.
Weekends पे यार.
Friday night will be difficult because Friday you're still on the
No, but
same.
मेरा वो थोड़ा सा
Saturday
वो भी
night
हो
तो
गया
तुम
है.
निकल-
Get
used
slow.
to it.
I
Used
like
to
my
it.
time alone.
पर ये तो बहुत अच्छी आदत है. ये जो देर से सोने की आदत है ना, ये तो बहुत बुरी आदत है. It's not healthy. It's not natural. Like the natural system of what has been created by nature is get up at sunrise, sleep at sunset. We're supposed to have supper around 4-5 o'clock, and that's it. You know, उस दिन मैं अक्षय कुमार का देख रही थी.
अक्षय कुमार ने कहा मैंने कभी सनराइज नहीं देखा.
यार
मैं घर जल्दी चला जाता हूँ.
सनराइज नहीं, वो
You know,
तो
मैं
सोता
अक्षय
9 बजे सो जाता
मैं
है.
अक्षय कुमार हूँ क्योंकि अगर
वो
सूरज
9
निकल
बजे
रहा
सो जाता है.
हो और आयशा उमर और मुस्तफा मुमताज है हमारे दोस्त
हाँ,
मुफ्ती, अगर
हाँ,
आयशा उमर और
हाँ.
मुफ्ती मुझे अगर छोड़ रहे हो घर और अगर सूरज निकल रहा हो तो मुझे गंदा लगता है. I'm like, मुझे लग रहा है
भी.
मैंने अपनी रात और अपनी जिंदगी का एक दिन जाया कर.
अच्छा, मैं सोचती हूँ बहुत रॉक स्टार हूँ अगर मैं सुबह सूरज देख लूँ. होए पूरी रात पार्टी की है. ब्राजील में किया था मैंने. ओह माय गॉड.
चलो ब्राजील में तो बनता है लेकिन कराची में हर वीकेंड आप बाहर जाते हैं.
But at 60 I'm coming home at 7 a.m. like okay, I'm a rock star.
You are inspirational like that. You are.
I know.
Every time I see your picture, I'm like, wow, she's somewhere else and she's having a good time. I was like, she's on a plane again in another city and she's looking good and she's having a good time, mashallah.
No, but this is very important. I think you and I share that wanderlust, जो है ना.
वो तो है, but the energy, I don't have that energy.
Of course you do. You don't know it yet. You still.
I do not mind having it.
You will have it. You have the energy. इतनी एनर्जी से तुम बात कर रही हो जिस तरह तुम.
क्योंकि अभी मुझे मजा आ रहा है, but इसके बाद I'll be like, okay guys, I've recorded the podcast. I want to go home and just have dinner. And
but I will also be like you. I will want to take the eyelashes off, put my slippers on. I did it in the middle. I was like, I gotta take this earrings, this everything off. Everything off,
I might
off.
potla, chappal and
Yes,
a t-shirt. And
yes, comfort. But this is how you survive. And this is how you keep that energy going because you take that little break. Take that nap, take that cup of tea. Just sit down, meditate. जो कर रही हो तुम वही तो चीजें हैं जो कि इंसान को करनी पड़ती हैं.
Do my yoga every day.
Time, yeah.
I'm trying to study a little bit of, as cliched as spirituality sounds.
नहीं क्लीशे कहाँ से हो गया?
Spirituality कर रहे हैं.
Came around like 20 years ago, but now I think it's
because,
more.
But Western, it came down as like let's sit down and take a deep breath.
Yeah.
But now I went to Iraq.
Yeah, I want to talk about that.
I went
you're Shia also, no? Is that something to do with it? Huh.
I am Shia. Well, I was born in a Shia family, but I grew up as a very like my father is basically a very open-minded individual. He's like, बेटा शिया नहीं होता, सुन्नी नहीं होता, मुसलमान होता है, एक अच्छा इंसान होता है. लेकिन मेरी अम्मा थोड़ा सा क्योंकि ट्रेडिशनल थी तो वो अपना करते रहती थी, तो हम सिस्टम में बड़े हुए, लेकिन हम पे कभी वो नहीं था कि यही होता है
जबरदस्ती
इस्लाम या यही है तरीका. ये था कि सब चीज़ें सुनो, सीखो, समझो, हमारा तरीका ये है. फिर जब 18, 19, 20 साल के हो जाओगे, जो तुम्हारा दिल कहता है ना कि ये सही है मेरे लिए, करो. सो इट बिकेम वेरी. अभी मुझसे कोई पूछता है कि आप शिया हैं, सुन्नी हैं, तो मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि मैं मुसलमान हूँ. फिर मुझसे अगर कोई पूछता है ना आप सिंधी हैं या पंजाबी हैं, तो मैं कहती हूँ मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ. क्योंकि मुझे आई डोंट वांट टू
बी लेबल्ड.
I don't want to be
categorized.
I don't. But spirituality, yes, which actually started with Buddhism, not with Islam so much. क्योंकि जब आपको इस्लाम पाकिस्तान में सिखाया जाता है ना, at a very early age, it's a lot about ये करना है, आपने करना है, ये भी करना है, नमाज भी पढ़नी है. और खाला बहुत अपसेट हो गई थी जब मैं टीवी पर आई थी, देखना ले वो, क्योंकि अब वो बहुत खुश हैं. So you know, so she was like, नहीं बेटा, एक उम्र में आपने ऐसे करना पड़ता है, ऐसे करना पड़ता है, ऐसे करना पड़ता है. And it wasn't.
But it's also their taught culture, ना.
उनका उन्होंने भी ऐसे सीखा था.
You have to unlearn things.
तो जब मैंने कहा मैंने टीवी पे होना, तो बच्चे भटक गए हैं, अब तो यहाँ से वहाँ हो गए हैं, भटक गए हैं, खराब हो गए हैं. तो वो सुनने को तो मिला था, लेकिन मेरी वालदा हमेशा, my parents are very, वो उनका कोई अलग ही था. But having said that, तो वो इतना वेलकमिंग नहीं लगता था किसी बच्चे को एटलीस्ट. मैं आज भी यही कहना चाहूँगी,
कंट्रोवर्सी,
जब वो सवाल करते हैं और अगर आप उनको जवाब देते हैं क्योंकि ये है बस, तो अब वो डजंट कट इट एनी मोर. इसलिए बहुत सारे अब जो स्कॉलर्स हैं वो कहते हैं आप पूछें, आप सवाल पूछें, और जब तक आपको कोई चीज़ आपके मज़हब के बारे में समझ में नहीं आती, आप पूछते रहें. आपको मिलेगा, आपको एक कनेक्शन अल्लाह मियाँ की मिलेगी, आपको एक साइंस फिर समझ में आएगी कि ये क्यों आपके लिए गलत है, ये क्यों आपके लिए बेहतर है.
सो दिस पॉडकास्ट, इसका नाम FY, आई डोंट नो इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड, व्हाई इज द क्वेश्चन मार्क. why we question everything. Because बचपन में मुझे यही कहा जाता था कि क्यों का मतलब लड़ाई. because मैं हर चीज़ पे कहती थी क्यों ऐसा क्यों है,
शैतान ने भी क्यों कहा था,
अल्लाह मियाँ कहाँ से आए,
या मैं नहीं करूँगा कहा था,
हाउ कैन यू आस्क मी दिस क्वेश्चन, यू नो. तो वो आपको डांट पिटती थी. हालांकि आई एक्चुअली हैड टू टेक इस्लाम एज अ कोर्स इन अमेरिकन कॉलेज टू एक्चुअली understand another point of view to the religion, and it was not a bad point of view.
No, of course not.
It wasn't. It was a different point of view because we were never allowed to question anything. which I don't think, which is not the Quran says I have the answers, you know, but you are allowed to question, and you are, ये क्यों हमें उस ज़माने में कहा जाता था, मुझे नहीं समझ आती.
क्योंकि आई थिंक हमारे पेरेंट्स भी वैसे ही पढ़े थे, उनके
भी
टीचर्स भी
कल्चर
ऐसे होते
टॉट
थे
कल्चर
कि आपको और बहुत सारे एक्सट्रीम, और ये सिर्फ इस्लाम की बात नहीं करूँगी मैं, आजकल आप हिंदुइज्म में भी देख रहे हैं, आप इजराइल का हाल देख रहे हैं, तो ये वो हैं जो कहते हैं कि बस यही है और कुछ नहीं है, एंड नाउ यू सीइंग कि उसकी वजह से लोगों को तकलीफ हो रही है, पूरी दुनिया में लोगों को तकलीफ हो रही है, और जितने लोग फ़लस्तीन के लिए खड़े हो रहे हैं ना, वो कोई दुनिया के सबसे बड़े मुसलमान नहीं है शायद, लेकिन वो अच्छे लोग हैं. उसमें आपकी एक हुदा ब्यूटी है जो मेकअप बेचती है, उसमें आपके 2-3 स्पोर्ट्समैन हैं जो स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हैं, उसमें आपके 2-4 हॉलीवुड के बहुत बड़े एक्टर्स हैं जो एक्टिंग करते हैं, लेकिन वो इंसानियत के लिए,
और अपने जूस भी हैं,
वो तो
ज़ायनिज़्म के खिलाफ है, नोबडी इज अगेंस्ट द जूस.
बिल्कुल. तो वो क्योंकि उन्होंने ना उसको थोड़ा सा
हमें भी तो सिखाया,
अपना वो बना दिया था ना
बचपन में
कि हमारा बिजनेस है तो हम आपको सिखाएंगे, वो उनके हाथ से निकल जाएगा तो फिर वो क्या करेंगे. क्योंकि मैं कहती हूँ भाई मेरा इस्लाम तो ऐसा है, आपका शायद किसी मुझसे कहा था उस दिन, मुझे नहीं पता ये कितना कंट्रोवर्शियल हो जाएगा, हंसने की जरूरत नहीं है, मुझे कोई शौक नहीं. किसी ने मुझसे कहा आपने ये कह दिया है, और जाकिर नाइक ने तो कहा है कि आप जो कह रही हैं वो गलत है. जाकिर नाइक इज़ अ वेरी बिग स्कॉलर फ्रॉम इंडिया, मुसलमान. सो आई रोट टू हिम, एक दिन माजरत के साथ, मैं जाकिर नाइक को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करती. ही इज़ नॉट द बुक एंड ही इज़ नॉट द प्रॉफिट. तो अब वो उनकी राय है, तो उनकी राय अगर आपको अच्छी लगती है आप बिल्कुल करें, मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगती मैं नहीं कर रही. अब इस पे भी कुछ हो सकता है,
मुझे कुछ नहीं हो सकता. आई डोंट थिंक सो. आई थिंक
वो इछड़ा में जो हुआ है,
एग्जैक्टली
इछड़ा में लड़की को मार दिया था उन्होंने, उसमें ये मैं ये घूम के लेके घूम रही हूँ, उसमें लिखी हुई है बैठ जाती हूँ वहाँ चाय बन रही हो जहाँ. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर किसी ने इसको अगर कुछ पढ़ लिया,
चाय चाहिए तुम्हें, नहीं
कहने का मकसद बैठ जाती हूँ जहाँ चाय चाहिए.
It's funny.
I'm just saying that कुछ भी लिखा हो.
Yes, exactly.
अरबी में मतलब कि गालियाँ भी होती हैं, लोग लिखते हैं, मतलब कि है उनके सब वो ज़बान है जिसमें हर चीज़ कहते हैं, खूबसूरत चीज़ें भी हैं, बुरी चीज़ भी हैं, लेकिन जिस तरीके से वो आ गए थे ना सारे उस मार्केट में,
एक बंदे ने उठ के,
क्योंकि वो कहने की बात है ना,
कहने की बात है सिर्फ, और सब समझ गए.
उसके बाद एंड अगर उसकी जान भी चले जाती तो आप और मैं कहते हैं कि पाकिस्तान का क्या हाल हो गया, लेकिन उसके आगे तो कुछ नहीं होता,
कुछ भी नहीं होता.
लोगों को मार चुके हुए हैं, जिंदगियां जा चुकी हैं, फैमिलीज तबाह हो चुकी हैं. अब जैसे फ़लस्तीन के साथ हो रहा है, आप और मैं रोज़ चीख रहे हैं, बच्चों को भी दिखा रहे हैं, ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें दिखा रहे हैं जो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था, लेकिन कुछ नहीं हो रहा.
और आप
वही हो रहा है जो वो
आप एड भी भेजेंगे तो उन तक नहीं पहुँच रही,
और एड भेजते भी उनको. तो आप देख के भी आपको अपने आप से सिर्फ नफरत हो सकती है. अब आपको इजराइल से भी नफरत नहीं हो सकती, आपको सिर्फ अपने आप पे, इंसानों से. और जब भी कोई इंसान खड़े होकर कहता है ना, जी हम फ्लड के लोगों के साथ काम करेंगे, मैं को देख रही हूँ तो दिन में अंदर एक आग मुझे निकल रहा होता है मेरे कानों के बाहर से,
और हेल्पलेसनेस, पावरलेसनेस फील हो रही है, जो कि मैंने, और बहुत सारे लोग ये कह भी रहे हैं कि वी डू नॉट नो कि हम क्या कर सकते, बोलने के अलावा हम कुछ कर ही नहीं पा रहे.
बोलते ही रहो बस,
बोल के भी थक गए ना, बिकॉज यू रियलाइज कि आपके पास कोई पावर नहीं है, ना आपके पास है, ना आपके मुल्क के पास.
शुरू कर दिया इन लोगों ने बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें,
वो तो कब से
आपको नजर भी नहीं आ रहा कि किस हद तक, अब जो नजर नहीं आ रहा उसके बावजूद जो आप देख रहे हैं आप देख लें. तो कैन यू इमेजिन व्हाट इज रियली गोइंग ऑन. ग्राउंड रियलिटी इज सो डिफरेंट. देयर वाज अ बम ब्लास्ट इन पेशावर आल्सो थोड़े दिन पहले, बट हम सुनते हैं वो. अच्छा, मेरी गोरी दोस्त
सेंटिसाइज हो गए.
हाँ, गोरी दोस्त आई हुई थी पाकिस्तान से, तो कोई एक बच्चा था, वो खिड़की पे था, भीख मांग रहा था, तो अपने बैग से ना 1000 रुपए निकाल ली. तो उसे क्या करिए, 1000 रुपए दोगी इस बच्चे को? इसके जूते नहीं है, इतना गंदा है. और मुझे ये एहसास हुआ कि हम देख के देखते कि एक बच्चा है जो गंदा है, इसके पास जूते नहीं है, इसके बाल गंदे हुए हैं, लेकिन अब हम ऐसे हो गए कि हम इसके साथ जिंदा है. हम पार्टी में भी जाएंगे, मुझे इफ्तार पे भी जाएंगे,
बट गिल्टी नहीं फील, इंसान गिल्टी हर चीज़ पे फील करता है. अब बिकॉज ऑफ पैलेस्टाइन, स्पेशली बिकॉज ऑफ चलो पाकिस्तान में तो होता आ रहा है, एंड वी हैव लॉस्ट द पावर. वी रियलाइज आफ्टर व्हाटएवर द सो कॉल्ड रिगिंग, alleged rigging, whatever, that it was rigged elections that we have no power whatsoever.
No power.
But I've also realized we don't have a power. nobody has the power except certain powers.
And
they're
those are the
called power.
powers you cannot remove.
You can't do
तो हम
anything.
इलेक्शन से इसको हटा देंगे उसको हटा देंगे.
पाकिस्तान तो कुछ भी नहीं है.
I was like, जिसको भी हटा दें.
कुछ भी नहीं है. We're nothing. You know, I've realized that, and that is where you feel very helpless, and
I've
you
seen
feel like
this,
yeah.
Balochi sister crying, saying my brother's missing for 20 years.
Yeah.
I don't care where he is, just show me his face. Is he alive? And I heard her and I was like, you know, chalo, very sad, very sad. Chalo yaar, ab Priya ke sath flow chalte hain, you know?
Exactly. Yeah.
But dimag mein to hai.
But the
At
thing
least
is,
dil mein
this
to
is
hai.
what the thing when life goes on, it's always there in the back of your head. It
Hamesha
makes
se.
you ill, it makes you sick, and it's not leaving you. It's already part of our energy now.
But that's why
Yeah.
spirituality is happening a little bit. कि
Yeah.
अल्लाह है,
Hmm.
मैं नहीं है, मेरे कोई हुक्मरान मेरे लिए शायद कुछ नहीं करेंगे या कोई नहीं कर पाएगा, लेकिन अल्लाह है और he knows and he will. अभी नहीं तो कभी, but this will come around.
Yeah.
And उससे मुझे बहुत सुकून मिलता है कि आप नमाज पढ़ें, उनके लिए दुआ करें, and उसके बाद आप सोच लें कि जो भी है अल्लाह की मर्जी से है ना, उसमें कुछ सुकून है कि ठीक है. और वो आप फ़लस्तीन के लोगों को देख रहे हैं कि इनके हालात के बावजूद वो अल्लाह का शुक्र कर रहे होते हैं.
Yeah.
And हम लोग इनको क्या हो गया है.
They were celebrating Ramadan जब
हाँ,
शुरू हुआ.
पहले अल्लाह का शुक्र है, हमारे ऊपर ये आफत आ गई, अल्लाह का शुक्र है.
Yeah.
I was
Yeah.
like, this kind of faith
There's a lot of
is-
conversion happening because of it also. मैंने सुना. I mean, देखने को बातें चल रही हैं. Coming back to you.
हाँ, मैं भी आई.
अनुषा आते
हमने
कहते
कितनी देर बात की है?
I don't know. I'm not fashionable. अच्छा, you're not fashionable. मैंने कहा, but you are fashionable. Why are you saying this, right? So,
Because I'm not badly
so
dressed.
what is your interest then? What are you interested in? You told me spirituality, animals, travel.
I'm interested in traveling with Priya Altaf and making a series.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I think it would be amazing.
Please just do it. Let's take up 5 destinations.
Okay.
We'll do
Where do you want to
fashion.
go? 5 कहाँ जगह?
Fashion जो है ना, I want
हाँ.
to do Paris street fashion.
I
Maybe
love
even
that
London.
street, yeah.
Huh? London, New York,
हाँ.
and then Seoul. Like Korea. I've been
I
here
haven't
because
been.
it's
I
BTS
haven't
and this
been.
Korean
Oi,
culture.
oi, oi.
So my
Ah,
niece
I
wants
watched
to
the
do
videos.
she wants to do a Korean fashion photography book. She studied
Yeah.
fashion photography in Parsons, and she's like, Anusha Khala, I just want to do a book in, and she's very fond of your daughter, by the way. They're in touch all the time.
अच्छा.
So she was like, I want to go to Seoul and do fashion photography,
Yeah.
street fashion photography,
Yeah.
because they've got a completely different aesthetic.
Yeah, they do.
Correct.
They're very good.
So we can do food, fashion, and music maybe.
I'm always good. Fashion and
You take
music
care of fashion.
anytime.
I will do a little bit of music, and we'll just make a production out of it.
Sounds great. है ना?
Please.
Yeah.
You can make
You're
it
a
happen.
sponsor.
ढूंढेंगे.
Emirates, are you listening?
Emirates.
Ittihad. Qatar.
कोई नहीं तो PIA if you want to revamp.
I know, really. If they decide to revamp and go back to it. Yeah.
Yeah, but otherwise my interests are pretty much. Oh my goodness, I give a lot of importance to family. I have a few friends now, but they're quality relationships.
Yeah, because वो
Value
edit हो
addition.
जाते हैं ना.
हाँ, value addition अब करना शुरू कर दिया है.
हाँ, ज़रूरी
And
है. वो भी
really
ज़रूरी.
big respect for my work.
Yeah.
मतलब कि जो भी करो, अगर आपने कहा मैं 20 साल में भी करूँगी, तो उतना ही कमिटमेंट और प्यार से करना है जितना आप 20 लाख के लोग करेंगे. वो, and I guess lastly, my books keep me busy. I read every day.
What do you read? What are you reading now?
So I mix it up. These days, because it's Ramzan. Oh, can I say it's Ramzan? I'm having funny.
It's okay.
These days it's Ramzan, so I'm reading a big Sufi Iranian scholar.
अच्छा.
He's done the translation of the Quran. I have it on me. It's really good.
And you have it in English?
English. He
Nice.
only does English.
Very good.
So Arabic and then directly English and verse by verse.
So it's interesting. This is part of the spiritual, but also understanding your own religion.
Yes,
From a
religion
different
has
point of
become a
view.
very
From
religion. So I've been after Israel and
हाँ,
Palestine. I've been
हाँ.
reading a lot about Judaism also.
yeah.
मैं बहुत सारे बुक्स जुडाइज्म पे लिए हैं. तौरा खरीदा, बाइबल खरीदा, गीता लिया, गीता भी खरीदी, सब पढ़ लिया.
Very good.
सब पढ़ मजा आ रहा है.
Yeah, good.
समझ में आ रही है ना कि
Yeah,
क्या हो
समझ
रहा है.
में आती है ना.
समझ में आ रही
Different
है
religion
और
defines everything.
सिमिलैरिटीज भी नजर में आ रही हैं.
Similarities हैं.
बहुत.
At the end of the day, it's only one thing.
Ultimately, the light is one.
It's one light.
Source is one.
Yeah, the source is one.
So, बस we are more familiar with this तरीका, so we'll follow it. And big fan of Imam Ali and Buddha and
Yeah.
after the Prophet, obviously.
Yeah. I love
So-
that. Yeah.
हाँ तो उनकी marketing भी अच्छी हो गई ना. Imam Ali and Buddha become fad.
Yeah. It's true. It's
It's
true.
cool to put up their
It's
posters
true.
and they're zen
yeah,
and they're
very-
intellectually sound.
And that you're
they
right,
have
it
that Sufi
happened
thing going.
20 years ago. It wasn't
Yeah,
like something which is
yeah.
recent. Buddha Bar happened 20 years ago. It wasn't
Yeah,
now. It's
yeah.
not a now.
And now
thing.
ziyarat has become a thing.
Yes.
And people are going to Iran
Yes.
and Iraq.
Yes.
And, his Imam Ali sayings are like popping up on Instagram. So I'm like,
Interesting. Yeah. But
nice.
anything, that's all about it.
Yeah.
What about anxiety? You talked about anxiety for a bit.
Yes.
What do you get anxiety from?
So my anxiety became a condition. There
Okay.
was a relationship.
Hmm.
There was my mother's health.
Hmm.
And there was some difficulties in the house.
Hmm.
That just culminated into one big...
Triggered something.
I couldn't breathe. There were days I couldn't breathe.
Hmm.
And then I had an absolute collapse. I remember I was at Sania Muscatia's trying on clothes.
Panic attack.
Panic attack to a point where I collapsed outside on the couch.
Really?
And I threw my clothes. And I was like, I can't breathe, Amal. I can't breathe. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. And then I called my car. I went home.
So it was
I was
amalgamation
hosting a
of
fashion show the
things.
following day and I cancelled it.
Mm.
And that's when the whole journey of dealing and living with depression and anxiety began.
Hmm.
And I went from doctor to doctor, from therapist to therapist, to Reiki guy, to peer. Makhala took me to a peer ke jadoo ho gaya tum pe. Like it went down that bad.
नहीं नहीं ऐसे ही होता है.
I could not lift my head off the pillow for a good 4 months. I'd quit. That's when I'd quit Dawn Ka morning show.
How long ago was this?
In 2018. Don't even want to think about it. It was horrible.
No, of course it's horrible.
It
I
was
mean, I
horrible.
don't know
And I feel
anyone
very
who.
jittery when I talk about it.
I'm
only
sorry.
because no, not at all.
Hmm.
Only because I was telling my therapist this the other day. I was like, sometimes I feel like, what if it happens again? And she's like, it's not. You're doing your yoga. You're doing your spirituality. You have better friends. I was like, but what if that happens again? Because I've never felt so helpless and so couldn't eat. I used to throw up a toast I used to put in my mouth. मुझे उल्टी आ जाती थी. So I used to spend a lot of my time sleeping, 18 hours a day sleeping.
That's very good also to sleep. It's a lot of the you have to sleep because when you're awake, you think, and it's
That's true.
all
So I would
comes
dread
down.
waking up.
Dread
because
waking up.
minute my eyes would open,
Yeah.
I'd be like,
Hmm.
that sinking feeling is back again.
Yes, of
Dad.
course. I
The
mean,
sinking
it's
feeling is
there,
back
it's
again. It's
there.
not going anywhere. There's a lump in
Yeah.
my throat. It's not going anywhere.
अभी तो at least Anusha they know
अब they
okay
do.
इसका depression है, they know anxiety है, you know panic attack. I mean, I'm just thinking about the times where any of us have gone through it when we were older. We couldn't put a name on it. Even.
No.
We didn't even have a name to put on it. We couldn't even talk to somebody के मुझे ये हो रहा है and say कि you don't understand it yourself, you know, and you're like
घबराहट हो
you
रही है.
घबराहट, it's suicidal thoughts. You're like I
Suicidal
want
thoughts.
I don't want to
Suicidal
live with this.
thoughts
I don't
were
want to live with
very-
this. Yeah.
Suicidal thoughts are a very real thing.
Yeah.
And this was a conversation I was having with somebody because there was a friend and it triggered me. There was a friend of mine who was like, oh, Fanusha, if I don't get those pair of shoes, I'm just going to kill myself.
Ah.
So I looked at her and I was like, no, you don't want to kill yourself because you don't know how it feels like to want to kill yourself.
I've been through it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've
Yeah.
been through it, and I
Yeah.
went through it very early on. I think it was for me. It was when it was the first real heartbreak, and that
So
was
mine was triggered by that too.
Yeah.
Not heartbreak, but the trauma of a relationship that was just not emotionally healthy. Couldn't handle it. So when it finished, I think the breakdown happened, and then
yeah.
everything
then
went
other
out of
thing
whack.
else, yeah,
everything went out of whack.
because you're carrying it, no?
You carrying
you're
it.
not- you're
And फिर वो
carrying it,
बचपन
you're
का भी
dealing with
कुछ
it.
always a nervous child, always
Yeah.
underconfident. वो सब निकल आया. वो उसने that was the camel.
Are you
the
glad
straw.
you're not in that relationship? Happy?
I mean, I would take that depression back on again, and I've told you that I'm so scared of it, but wouldn't want to be in a relationship like that again.
You know, because I mean, I remember because it was
So
the
walking on eggshells and my stomach.
no, but you
my
almost
stomach
got
used to-
mine. I got your invitation card. I
did.
had it. I
I
was
did.
happy for you. Obviously, I had no idea,
Everybody was happy.
no clue.
Mm.
कि पीछे what you were going through or what was
Yes.
like. You know, the thing is, strong women, and I've been through
Yeah.
it. I've actually been stood up on my wedding day.
Really?
Yep,
Stood up on your wedding day?
1,000 guests. So when you say this,
my
when the cards are
goodness.
gone out, you've had the mehndi, you've had the nikah, you've had everything,
Huh.
and to get stood up on your wedding day
I'm so sorry.
and send everybody home and what it feels like.
I think you also feel like मेरे माँ बाप
You feel like you want to jump from the bridge
You do
and
want to
die
jump from
because
the
it's like
yeah, it's too much.
that kind of a thing. It's
and
like
my
filmon
phones
wali
went
baat
off
hai.
ringing and everybody's like sympathy and I'm like turn it off.
Yes.
I don't want to go over what happened.
Yeah.
I always knew he was like I was like I don't want to hear anything.
Yeah.
I just wanted to hold my dog
Yeah.
and sleep for days. 6 days I didn't come out of the room because sympathy अब बाहर निकलने से भी how are you doing Johnny? How are you feeling? I was just like
But I mean, people are genuinely people are sympathetic. For me, it was like everyone came to my house like somebody
Same.
had died.
Same.
Somebody
my
had
cousin,
died.
Nomi, my cousin, Hayat, you know, half of them, Musti,
yeah.
Mal, मेरे घर में थे सारे.
Yeah, because it's
कोई
like
हाथ
खाना ले आओ, ये ले
you
आओ,
know,
like
शादी
क्या
के
हो रहा
कपड़े
है?
fold हो रहे हैं. Like it was a
exactly.
weird scene.
Yeah,
I was like,
yeah.
क्योंकि सास भी कभी you know हो जाता है end में. But you know, there was my mum who came down. She hugged me and she said, I couldn't be happier.
Wow. And my father did the same thing.
Mubarak ho, I couldn't be happier for you.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you, and you will see one
Yeah,
day.
but you did see it.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
did
it
see
took
it.
a lot of
It's always
trauma.
soon.
and-
No,
yeah.
I saw it there and then, Priya,
yeah.
but I think you know the trauma remains in your
Which-
body.
because we didn't
and
go.
in
Did you
your
go for
dreams.
therapy उसी वक्त या
क्योंकि वो
नहीं?
समझ में तो आ गई थी कि ये बकवास है.
हाँ,
I mean, as like
हाँ.
मेरे लिए. I'm not
Yeah.
trying to say anybody else's
Yeah,
बकवास,
yeah.
लेकिन ये मेरे लिए नहीं है.
हाँ.
लेकिन वो जो trauma of the experience,
हाँ.
वो जो कहते हैं ना कि you
Yeah.
go through a crash,
Yeah.
so the crash is done, but उसके side effects बहुत अरसे तक चल रही होती
Yeah,
हैं.
post-traumatic.
That's what happened.
It's
The
post-traumatic,
PTSD. So people
PTSD,
was
yeah.
thinking I'm heartbroken. I was like, no, it's triggered PTSD. I'm not particularly heartbroken. I'm happy that this is over. But now my body's gone into shock mode. And I can't sleep. I've become
Yeah.
insomnia.
Yeah.
I can't stop crying. I can't
Same.
breathe.
Yeah.
When I start walking, my legs start shaking.
Nightmares.
Nightmares?
Yeah.
Nightmares?
Nightmares. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I need to sit down with you after
Yeah,
this.
we do.
Because I want to know. Because I still have my anxiety.
I was wearing white. It was like somebody had died.
You were wearing white.
I was wearing white. Every day people kept, and it wasn't automatic. It wasn't like I chose it. I don't know if I chose it. Maybe mentally I chose it.
Yeah,
But
maybe.
it was constant. And 2 weeks later, I went to a party to face the person. Yeah. I just had to do it. Well, I don't know, I did it, but I did it. But the moments are, it is hard. It's very,
It is
very hard.
hard.
It is very hard, yeah.
And at that time, you know, I was well into my 30s then also. 5 साल हो गए उसको. My biggest fear was in a society like Pakistan कि you know I'm older, शादी नहीं होगी. I'm in media because एक तो वो भी मुझे
Yeah.
फील करते रहते थे सारा टाइम. मीडिया में हो कितने साल काम कर लोगी. So this is something I'd heard. कितने साल काम कर लोगी. करियर तो छोटा होता है. अभी पैसे बना रही हो ना. कितने अरसे बना
That's
लोगी.
shit.
I used to feel
Oh,
so
I'm
bad
sorry,
about myself.
Brad.
So अगर शादी नहीं हुई अभी तो फिर क्या होगा. ना बच्चे होंगे because your biological clock is ticking. Everything was just you know you sit on TV and people are like अच्छा
Yeah.
बड़ी अच्छी है शादी की. It was all coming down
Yeah.
and then I was so the minute it got called off my first reaction was like Ma, I don't think I'll ever have children. And she's like, well, you know, if God is destined them, they'll happen. And if you don't, you will adopt. If you don't, they will something or the other will happen. You know, if you really,
Yeah.
it's
I love
ways
your
of
mom,
life.
man.
Yeah, it's
I
ways of
love
life.
her.
My mother was happy.
Yeah.
She came down congratulating me. She's like, I'm so happy. I would rather see you unmarried forever, but happy and traveling the world.
And not married to that person. And my
Yeah,
father
that-
did the same thing.
yeah.
All my friends were crying. And my father walked in and said, shut up. This is the best thing that's happened.
That's the best thing.
I could see him
And
choke.
today I
and-
see it.
yeah, and today you see
Today I
it.
completely 5-6 साल लग गए.
Yeah.
Lekin I think 4th year it just came out in the
Yeah.
clear and I was like,
Yeah.
wow, I really missed her. It wasn't even a bullet. It was like a train coming at full speed, you know.
Sweet, yeah. But it would have been a train forever for your life. You would
बच्चे
have
कच्चे हो
been-
जाते तो अभी तक ना Assalamualaikum, I hate you.
I know, exactly.
connections रह जाती हैं. So I guess it was for the
Yeah, of course it is. And उसको के पता नहीं चलता. We are all so
horrible at that
into
time.
this whole mess and you're like thinking, पता नहीं, this is the end of the world.
Because
For
at
me
that
it
time
was like फिल्मों में होता है ना. लड़की
went
का बाप को
home
हार्ट
and
अटैक हो जाता है, वो मर जाता है. I mean, think about it, right?
क्या आपको
हमारी
लगता है
जो
कि खानदान वाले
culture-
बात तो कर रहे हैं.
but the culture-
Some aunties did meet me like this. मेरा बच्चा, my जान. I was like, okay, I lost a leg or an arm.
Yeah, exactly.
I have my work. I've been
Yeah,
independent. I've done
yeah.
good things in life.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I guess, you know, that They were also coming from a good place.
They're again
But to
coming
shun
from
them
the-
out
yeah.
at that point is a bit difficult because you're
Yes.
already like suffering. So
Yeah,
that even
what
that
you
seems-
need is your mother's voice, more of your mother's voice
Yeah.
at that time than anything
Yeah,
else.
my mother and my
Yeah.
sisters, my brothers-in-law.
Yeah,
My brothers-in-law like
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
and some friends are really cute like Nomi types.
Hmm.
मुझे तो शुरू से ही गंदा लगता था.
Allah.
I was like Nomi तुम मेरे साथ ही रह जाओ ना. मुझे उसकी गंदी गंदी तस्वीरें देखो कितना बुरा लग रहा है. I was like Nomi, I love you. Like
Yeah.
you know Dino was
Yeah.
so good.
Yeah.
Dino was like yeah, you know I saw your guy somewhere. I was like really.
Cute.
I like छोटी छोटी खुशियाँ, you know,
Oh, wow, yeah.
because I'm sure they're doing well
Yeah,
in their
yeah,
lives
yeah,
and
yeah,
whatever
yeah.
it is.
Yeah,
But your
yeah.
friends really come through,
They
you know,
really
trying
do.
to like
Yeah.
make you feel like it's
Yeah.
better that you're not with them.
Yeah. And the thing is also like for someone like me, I don't go into people's lives. I really, if I'm the last person who knows anything, who gossips or anything
That's
like that,
amazing. That's
you know,
amazing.
I don't have the time for
don't
it.
have the time.
You know, for me, it's more about you speaking over here about your experience, for me to share what I've been through, so that people out there know that it's okay, and that if you're going through something like this, it's okay.
It's okay.
And also to go get therapy and get it sorted out. Because हमारे समय तो कुछ भी नहीं था.
No,
अब समझ अब तो therapy and you know anxiety, you know what to do and you
so
know.
when I spoke about psychiatrist,
Yeah.
3 साल पहले, that I went to
Yeah.
see a psychiatrist, and you know my parents were supportive. So I managed to just say it on one of these interviews. I kid you not, my inbox was full of
Yeah.
people who were like, I think I need a psychiatrist. It's just that nobody
Yeah.
speaks about it.
Nobody.
And I'm
Mental
not allowed to
health.
see. I'm not allowed to see a doctor. I'm not allowed to
Yeah.
see a therapist. What do I do? What do I do? So I was so glad. Then I was like, you know, I guess, yeah. When you stop caring about what people think, you can help so many other
You
people.
can help somebody when you come out.
You speak
and
about your mental health. You
Yeah.
speak about your challenges, and
Exactly, and how people think that everyone's life is a hunky dory. I don't know anyone whose life is hunky dory, who hasn't been through
Nobody's.
something or the other. And you know, and if you are out there just because you might be famous or you might be in the media, it doesn't mean that you're not going to hurt or you're not going to have issues or you're not going to have issues with your children or your parents or
Yeah,
your husbands or your
yeah.
friends. Everyone's going to go through something. Or
Everybody's
even
gonna-
physically challenged. Mental health, तो मैं कहती हूँ कि when I talk about spirituality, when you're talking about that and yoga and reading the Quran and the Torah and all the other books, it is so important to enlighten yourself and to know more about things ताकि जो भी challenges आएंगे, you can help others. You
can
help yourself.
others. And I
first
have,
also.
because there's some people who write to me and they literally say, Anusha, today I'm feeling suicidal.
Yeah.
So I message them back and I'm like, listen to me. It does pass. We've been there, right?
Yeah.
There's so many people who've been there. They
Yeah.
just don't talk about it.
They don't want to
There were
talk
some
about
aunts in the US and I met them by chance and we were shopping in Macy's. She was like, how are you doing? I was like, good. How's the doctor? So she, very slowly, I was like, good. She's like, has he given you any medicine? I was like, yes. So she's like, which ones? So I told her. She took me into a corner and she's like, I haven't even told my husband and I've been taking medication for 6 years. Even my children don't know. मुझे पकड़ के बोल रही हैं Macy's के
She
अंदर.
needs to confide in someone and she needs to know
I
what
mean,
she's doing
imagine
is
कि
right.
क्या स्ट्रेस होगा उन पे
हाँ,
कि वो एक
कि
चीज
किसी
के
से
लिए तो
बात भी
मदद
नहीं
लेने
कर
की कोशिश
सकते।
कर रही हैं और वो भी नहीं बता सकती हैं.
Yeah.
वो तो अपनी बेचारी शी इज वर्किंग ऑन हर हेल्थ. पर मुझे भी ये कहा गया था when I was seeing a psychiatrist back in the day while I was with this person and he was just like, please don't tell my parents. I was like, why? I don't want them thinking I'm like dating somebody who's crazy.
But that's again thing, na?
Hearing
60 to
something like that, I was like,
70%
I think
people-
instead of being supported for going and trying to figure it out, वो है वो अभी भी है कि ओ इसको तो पागल खाने भेज दो. Now I get really triggered. I'm like, you know, पागल खाना. It's a serious issue, yaar.
Yeah,
It's
but
not-
that's what they used to do.
or we were talking about this the other day. We were like, oh, this girl, she's erratic. Poor girl's bipolar. I was like,
You can't just use that
you
word.
can't use that. And I get it. I know that millennials are getting sensitive about everything.
Yeah.
You can't call him fat. You can't call him black. You can't call her bipolar. But I was like, dude, it's a medical condition. You can't just say, oh, yeah. It's like, you know, you can't say something like, I don't know, whatever. It's not coming to my mind right now.
Yeah.
But it's a medical condition. It's not like a degrading thing even to say. It's not insulting. It's
Yeah.
actually a problem that people suffer with genuinely.
Yeah, 60 to 70% people have depression. So depression at some point in everybody's life over here is going to hit. So ये बहुत ज़रूरी है.
और माइल्ड डिप्रेशन तो आई थिंक बहुत पाकिस्तानीज को माइल्ड डिप्रेशन तो बाय 90% पॉपुलेशन को होगी.
एग्जैक्टली
माइल्ड लेवल.
Look at what we live in.
परेशानी.
हम लोग एंजाइटी. तो जो फिर अरे खड्डे खुदे हुए हैं, पता नहीं कहाँ.
फिर आपकी जो ये चरस होता है या ये तंबाकू होता है, फिर ये गुटखा होता है, फिर ये हेरोइन हो जाता है, फिर ये बीवी को मारना होता है. ये लोग कहते हैं कि पागल आदमी है. It's a depression. And anger.
ट्रिगर्स हैं कहीं और कहीं ना कहीं से आ रहे हैं.
सब आउटलेट्स हैं क्योंकि इनको दवाई नहीं मिल रही, इनको थेरेपी नहीं मिलती.
स्ट्रेस है
इनको. हाँ, और कोई सुनने वाला नहीं होता.
नहीं है भाई, पैसा भी नहीं है लोगों के पास.
पैसा भी नहीं है.
सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम तो
मेडिकल केयर भी इतना महंगा है.
सो एवरीथिंग इज. तो उनको कौन समझाए? आई मीन रोज मैं पढ़ती हूँ. अभी आज मैं पढ़ी थी कि 8 साल की स्टेप डॉटर को की शक्ल जला दी. लड़ाई हुई बीवी से. 8 साल की. तो 25% burns on her body. It's through petrol
and
on
it's
her.
not just burning her body.
Torturing the child.
It's the end of her life.
End of her life. और उसको torture किया just to punish the wife. तो इस तरह ये चलती आ रही चीज़ें और हमारे कल्चर में होता रहता है. And we to still come from families जो के जिनको चीज़ें पता हैं. They are coming from places where they have the information. Poor people don't have that information. They don't understand. And you're right. It's a big.
उनको क्या देंगे? I'm telling you, this lady lives in New Jersey.
Yeah.
And she's like, oh, my husband doesn't know. I've been on it for 7 years.
Yeah. No, my mother's had 3 nervous breakdowns. She's always suffered from this bipolar stuff or whatever. And, so I've lived with it and I've seen it. And it was, in my family, obviously, again, culture taught. My father wanted to hide it from the entire family, but everybody knew.
My father was also real conscious. Yeah, my mother was definitely more supportive.
Hide.
I guess because men तो बेचारे वो तो बोल भी नहीं सकते. आप और मैं तो फिर भी रो लें या किसी को बोल दिया कि हाँ मुझे थेरेपी चाहिए. जब मर्द बोलेगा तो उसका तो पूरा खानदान. I mean, we talk so much about women's rights as we should. But I've really seen some men struggle with their mental health.
Of course.
And the inability to express themselves. We women are so much better to express their emotions. रो लिया या बोल भी दिया क्योंकि वैसे ही हर जगह से गालियाँ पड़ रही. अब हस्बैंड अगर बोल दे अंदर तो यानी कि पूरा खानदान यहाँ से वहाँ हो जाएगा ना. बीवी तो हो सकती है कमजोर.
पहले ना वो घर को सपोर्ट भी कर रहा है.
उसके ऊपर नहीं कि उसको बहुत प्रेशर डाल नहीं है.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. एवरीबडी
चाहिए आपकी जरूरत.
एवरीबडी नीड्स इट. Everybody needs it.
Everybody.
Yeah. तो हमेशा कहती हूँ थेरेपी की जरूरत भी नहीं है तो फिर भी जाके किसी से बातें कर. And not somebody you know. It has to be somebody you don't know.
नमाज पढ़ो. I think that was an old school way of just therapy because आप अल्लाह मियाँ से बातें कर रहे होते थे. फिर भी आप बात ही कर रहे होते थे. आप किसी का कत्ल भी कर दो तो नमाज पढ़ो. क्यों? क्योंकि आप सब सजदे में जाते हो तो आप अल्लाह मियाँ से बात ही करते हो.
Exactly.
तो आपकी थेरेपी होती है कि कोई सुनता है. सुनो मेरी बात. कोई तो
आपको रिमाइंडर होता है कि आपको क्या चाहिए.
हाँ.
तो I is like a reminder. अल्लाह मियाँ ये दे दे because you're like reminding yourself what's important 5 times a day. It's very important.
वो तो उसके तो multiple advantages मैंने देख लिए हैं. Grounding yourself 5 times a day, coming back to centering yourself. ये सब interconnected way. Buddhism, Islam, this, that, everything.
And also the poses. The yoga poses and going down and such.
That day I was reading about sajda mein. They say you should at least spend a good 30-40 seconds in one sajda because that's when you really connect with the earth.
That. It's like the child's pose.
That's when you really kind of humility, submission,
complete.
Humble, all those things.
I'm like getting there. We have to go on a trip together.
We will do it now. We're doing
go to Bali and do the whole spiritual.
I'll come with you. Acupuncture. सब मुझे करवाने. मुझे holistic healing का मेरा नशा चढ़ा है नया.
I swear.
I want to do every type of cleansing, detox.
I love it. I also love it.
Herbal therapy.
Yeah, I love it. यहाँ पे भी यहाँ पे भी up in Hunza they're going to open one inshallah. Yeah.
What fun.
Yeah.
Perfect.
We're talking about it. Yeah.
Do it.
Yeah. Oh my God. So what's next?
What's next?
Well, I have to say something. The Anusha that I see today from 5-6 years ago, much stronger. I'm saying this again. It comes out in the sensitivity and the way you express yourself now is amazing. So don't stop that activism or whatever you feel because you honestly, whatever you say is not incorrect. I've seen that sensitive because this has come from your experience.
Yeah.
Okay, and if you hadn't had that experience, you would not have the strength, and you would not have. I'm not saying even the strongest person can be down at some point in
course.
time,
Of course.
but I'm telling you that as long as I've known you over 2 decades, I see that.
Thank you.
Okay, and so just keep that chin up and
Yay.
keep going and keep speaking and keep the spiritual spirits
Keep
up.
making those TikTok
I'll
videos.
still be अपनी देखो भाई ये सबसे बड़ी बात.
Keep making those TikTok videos.
Tutorial videos is very
शाहरुख खान के डांस चैलेंजेस करते रहो.
Yeah.
सही है.
मैं भी आऊंगी एक में.
Please.
Huh? I want to come and join you guys.
डीना और मेरे बीच में.
Yeah, I think it was
हमारे
so
पास
much
बच्चा है
fun.
नहीं, तो जब भी हम टिकटॉक बनाते हैं, हमें बच्चे की जरूरत होती है, तो हम अपने कुत्ते को बच्चा बना लेते हैं. So we named him Munna. So my dog is Munna,
Huh.
and we played like this Pakistani couple.
Yeah.
So now when Munna is on in the videos, people are like Munna कहाँ है?
Really? उनको पसंद है?
They
वो
love the
Dino
dog
तुम्हारे
more
घर
than
आता
Dino.
है,
Dino
तुम्हारे
मेरे घर
पास
आता है,
आता
हम
है.
बना लेते हैं 2-3
फिर
बैठ
उसको
के.
क्या करते हो?
मेरा कुत्ता मुन्ना होता है.
हाँ.
तो अभी आजकल डीनो ने नया शुरू किया है, बिकॉज मुन्ना गोज फॉर अ वॉक समटाइम्स, सो ही इज नॉट अवेलेबल ऑल द टाइम.
Munna is going to become more popular.
डीनो नीचे दिखता है, पीपल आर लाइक मुन्ना कहाँ है हम लोगों के साथ, तो डीनो से मुन्ना की डेट्स नहीं है आजकल. लाइक मुन्ना इज बिजी. इट्स माय डॉग.
Really? उसका सच्ची नाम मुन्ना है?
लुका.
Luca.
But we call him मुन्ना ना
हाँ, because
वीडियोस,
more public,
कि मुन्ने को
हाँ.
संभाल ले, मुन्ने को ले, यू नो, प्लेइंग
हाँ.
टिपिकल पाकिस्तानी कपल. मेरे एक मुन्ना कहाँ है, सो हमारे पास मुन्ना तो है नहीं, तू कुत्ता.
So you only on TikTok you do that?
TikTok, हाँ, more or less those things on TikTok. Instagram is अलग.
Yeah, I think you
थोड़ा
should
सा
have a
sophisticated
YouTube
है.
for yourself.
I will.
I think you and him could do this.
Planning to work on so many things, but
I know.
बड़े होना है, शादी भी करनी है.
हाँ हाँ.
शादी भी करनी है, बड़े होकर शादी भी करनी
Of
है.
course, that should never go out of the. Never should go
Ever?
out. Huh? Why
I
not?
swear to you, my
And
uncle
actually-
lost his wife.
हाँ.
He's 67.
Hmm.
And I've told my mother that हम इनकी दोबारा शादी कराएंगे, because वो इतने alone हो गए. तो मेरी दोस्त की एक नानी है,
हाँ.
वो भी, उनकी भी हस्बैंड की डेथ हो गई है.
हम लोग
तो आई
करेंगे.
थिंक वो मिलना तो चाहते हैं.
मैंने अपनी अम्मी को
वो
पता
मिलने
है,
के लिए तैयार हो
अम्मी
गए.
को बोला था ये करने को.
हाँ,
पर अम्मी ने क्या जवाब दिया? इस उम्र में मैं किसी के लिए चाय नहीं बनाऊंगी.
सही है, आंटी ने बिल्कुल सही बात की है, and I will agree. So he actually called me. So मेरी family बड़ी
Oh,
busy है,
he's
and
so
on this side,
cool.
my family is very-
So he wants to meet up.
He did. So he called and he's like, Anusha, how are you, beta? It's been 4 years since he lost his wife. And I was like, good. He's my uncle. He's my mother's mamu. So very nice man, fond of the arts. और कभी आपदा परवीन का शो है तो उनको बड़ा शौक.
I know him. Is he the one from Shaheen Airlines वाले?
नहीं.
नहीं, अच्छा, okay.
I was like, अल्लाह हम लोग
Okay, वो बाद में
टीवी पे अगर उनका नाम ले लिया तो फिर
नहीं नहीं नहीं. Okay.
So no, it's not
हाँ,
Shine Airlines
okay,
वाले.
okay, हाँ.
So he told me कि I wanted to go for some concert or some
Oh,
Abda Parveen
cool.
show. So I was like, definitely. He's like, so are you going? I was like, I'm not going, uncle. He's like, yeah, I just didn't want to go alone, so I was wondering who else is going.
Sweet.
So I was like, I don't know. I have this aunt, a friend's
You
grandmother.
set up?
Yeah. So I was
They
like, would you
did?
like to go? They went.
No,
They had
करो.
such a good time.
No, karo.
They went together.
Are they going again?
They've gone for movie. They went to see
Oh
some
my
movie
God.
again. So at least they're like,
अभी
we don't
तुम्हारा
know about
हादसा पूरा हो गया.
we don't know about friendship. We don't know about शादी because we're too old. But at least he picks her up and दोनों कभी डोसा खाने चले
I
जाओ.
love
कुछ तो
it.
कर- So at least
What a
like,
good story. It's a happy
मैं इसमें movie
story.
बनाऊंगी.
Yeah. I think that's the cutest story.
it is a beautiful story.
Yeah.
And
love
now we
it.
don't worry so much about him because he'd
Yeah.
gone all alone. My mother was like, "Bichari is alone.
Lovely.
And he was getting older faster without his wife
I love it.
after she passed away. So now both of them chill out.
Nice.
And she gets her hair made when they. I should open up a बड़े लोगों की marriage bureau.
App खोल लो, dating app for people over
60 plus.
60.
If you're looking for your life partner
Yeah,
at 60,
there you go.
contact Anusha.
Right, true
Out of
that.
all the things.
So cool. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching FY Podcast, and please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below.
Hey everybody, don't forget to watch FY Podcast with me and Nushay. I was here with Priya and we've had a fantastic conversation. So I really, really, really do hope that you watch it. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and leave your fantastic comments below. Enjoy.